Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. To the flipping world!
Everybody get the tambourine and praise the Almighty Father. All God-fearing people, let's go.
Get right!
Mixup and Blenda, that's how.
Hey, 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 yeah. Hey. Up there, up there, up there, up there, up there, up there. Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But the leaf of the tambour mind, it can't stop in a revival time. Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord.
Listen me!
Taller in the building, big up yourself, more diva, large up and thing, sugar pea, me see you, Cheryl Bless in the building and thing, big up on yourself, people, I'm a rock and come in and I dance right now. Man, why me have to use them sitting here one time, I do them something, with the light them, you know? When I shine, man, now when I ain't in Carmex, it shine. I got tons of them though, you know. I got Carmex. Electric Tangerine. I want Berry Explosion. Oh, this is it's a service. It's an academic service institution. It's called West Academic. Anybody who know about Westlaw and them something there, but that's something that a lot of you won't know. So, Zingy Watermelon. I want you to want me yet. Oh, that one I don't know. Just a regular classic strawberry. One of my faves, you know. One go on, people, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Everything is everything. One go down, one go down, one go down, one go down, one go down. What's up? Well, all right. We had a great show last night, and the feedback to last night's show was yeah, it was the feedback was most interesting, you know. First of all, I like the whole bathing thing, and you know, call me a nerd and whatever, but that was it for me, you know. But before we get to the bathing thing and whatever, I just want to say I got a lot of feedback on the show. And you see me, I'm going and make it. You have certain energy, me carry. Yeah. You have part of my thing right now, boring, you know, but well, boring for other people, but that's fine for me, you know. But let me tell you something. You see, that's something I name the internet. Boy, Sonia, you missed a show last night, Mama. You missed a show last night. But anyway, you see, that's something I name the internet. Remember me telling you, you know. I'm going to say this quick, I don't want to belabor it. People, you know, say, a bunch of people, them just go do them research, you know. And you know, Pretty Nikki called yesterday and thing and whatever and make her attack. And we did attack, but when she go live and show her thing and what, well, you know, the imprint of her thing. And, you know, the people them go do research and thing and go dig up some long time picture. Not long time, just some picture, but them go find all kind of picture with Pretty Nikki and thing. And the people them do them comparison and whatever, and I mean, I tell a lie, they really roll out by they roll up by Nikki, you know. And basically make an argument say, Raga, something not real. He pad up. And then go for them, go do them research, you know. If people ain't gonna do them research and thing, I tell you, you know, that's it on your internet, you know. If people them go do if people ain't gonna dig up picture and thing and do them research and do like side-by-side comparison. I mean and the result was quite yeah, they got me saying the evidence was right there, you know. They have me saying like, okay, I see your point. Yeah, me not a space in the man saying, ay God. But you know, but it just goes to show, you know, with the internet right, you know, yeah. I say, if it's different, based on the evidence presented, I'm being honest, based on the evidence presented, yeah, I had to make some adjustments in my preliminary conclusions. No, no. She never sent me no pic. So, and pointedly, we never sent no pic. The pic wasn't sent to me or anything. Yeah, no, I had to make some adjustments. And again, this is not personal or anything. I'm just saying the evidence was like, here you go, you know, this is around the beach and this is that. And you know, sometimes you're within range, you're within a range where you're like it wasn't even within range. It was just too contrasting. Whenever you hear the term polarized, I don't know, bipolar. It's an analogy referring to the North and the South Pole. And the idea is, you know, that's as far as you can go in the world, you know. Like, the farthest 2 points in the world is in the North Pole and the South Pole, you know. Now, I'm just show it, but you know, so it's polarized, so like really separate type of thing. But my those like I'm afraid of people, man. I'm afraid of people, because people not play up with the internet. That's sitting here, man. Them internet detective and them. Because I not really, whether or not such is such or such is not such, that's not important to me. Honestly, it's not important to me. My thing with me, I'm telling you, is like, people on the internet don't play. They don't play. They're not around, man. People just jump and thing and take on a case and just you know, they would just take on a case and just run with it and you know, so, you know, when you come on the internet and thing, and this is just broadly, this is not any one person, I'm just saying broadly, like, people need to make sure so them balance up them thing and have them facts straight, you know, worse if evidence out there, you know, to the contrary of any assertion that you might be making and thing like that, people find it. They'll find it. They'll find it. People are really good at finding stuff and things like that. So, before we get to the bearding thing, again, which I really enjoyed yesterday, and thing, that bearding thing was just like, you know, just really interesting, you know? So, well, Andy. Oh, Lord. Well, Andy. Okay. man. All right, delete that. Delete that. Boom, 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 boom. I'm just have a delete couple things real quickly. Yeah, so why don't I delete delete this too. Yeah. And this good. Delete. Delete. Whoops. Delete. Okay. All right. Then go back over here. So. Go in here. So. Hold on. Yeah. Something. Okay. All right. Hold me. Okay. I can't just leave that there. So. Patience. Okay. All right. And then I have to come out of this over here. So, because I don't want the people them come beat me. You see? To my channel. Come up here. So. All right. Okay. I think we're good now. Wait, what happened? Okay. All right, Neil, big up yourself, you know. All right. All right, cool. We're good again. So people hear that one right now. Hear that one. I want a quick one. One quick mix up. And we go, before we go mix up, the bearding thing. Based on the feedback when we get from some people, I mean, I like what I'm about to say. I think I was initially guilty of it also, so my bad too. So you remember the caller yesterday who was saying that she does not throw away her bearding rags. She recycle them. And she keep them till them either tear up or she say, I lick a bleach, dash upon them, and then she throw them. Right? And then you remember I was like, so like, oh yeah, oh you keeping it like for 2-3 months and thing, and I was kind of like diplomatically pressing and so forth. And she said, even more than a year. And thing, because she said she recycle her bearding rag them for like a year. And then she would use them again. Now, when she said use them again, like she would put them down and use them again, I think I did initially too. Some people assume that she say, go back, go beard with them. But that is not what she meant. When she said she recycle her bearding rag them, is that she use them for a while. Then after she use them, she said she don't throw them away. Which I respectfully submit is a very Jamaican Caribbean thing, where when we're done with something, we don't throw it away. We use it for like, we may use it for clean furniture, or we may use it for wipe off something upon the floor, or we may Unstoppable. Ragga, we use the rag them till them frazzle, start tear. All Jamaicans gather here, guilty as charged. No, but the question is, do you use them for beard until them frazzle and tear? Unstoppable 100%. Is that what you're saying? Is that what you're saying? Say you use your rag them for beard. I said, no, Ragga, we dash it way. No, Unstoppable. I say, yes. No, some people use them rag till them tear up. Me not lie. When I would, let me tell you something. I was going to Alien take a show yesterday, you know. Alien take a show yesterday, you know. When you hear Alien have this kind of unique tonality in her voice, you know. And it kind of, it triggers you to think like, yo, how she sounds, the type of thing. And then Alien vibes you and sitting and whatever. But y'all don't sleep on Alien, you know. Don't sleep on Alien. Alien is smart, you know. Alien reason, Alien think and them something, you know. Alien take a show last night, you know. Yeah, man, that thing that were Alien roll out with, man, where Alien said, when I go and like say, when I did grow up, we're going with no found one and I never have towel. Right? And when Alien say, so no found one, I never beard yet. I use the rag beard and thing I want to do, and ring out the rag. And then use that same rag and dry off after when I'm done. And I never do that yet. Hey, as simple as I hear that, you know, that kick when I found a foot, you know. That kick when I found a foot. Well, I'm turn on since the way it named them. The YouTube stream is up, you know. So the phone number, you know, in case people call and thing, you know. If you set that, you see me? Right? Yeah, man, that kick when I found a foot, you know, because remember, you know, when the caller did that call and I say, when she beard, it's a 3-part thing, you know? And then she have to beard up here so and thing, and then she have to wash out the rag again, and then she beard front and back here so in the middle, wash out the rag again, and then she says she beard down and bottom and wash out the rag again, and then she says she not touch the rag again after that. Right? She not touch the rag again after that. Remember, I said, no, I want to run in and say, yo, I sound a beard, you know, I sound a been a beard all the time, you know. Right? See, the juice media. Antasha said, I thought everyone dry off with towel after shower. No, Antasha, no. No. Me I tell you, say, when we grew up, me never have towel. We never have towel. I swear to God, all my life as a child coming up into, you know, with my mother and whatever. I mean, my mother passed when I was pretty young. But even after that, we never have no towel. And hey, people, there's a lot of things right now that is just standard. We never have no towel. See, Delmarine says she have to admit she whatever, you know. Agree with the lady. We never have no towel, and it wasn't anything unique to my family or whatever. It was a thing where we live. Nobody, no towel wasn't a thing. Towel was a luxury when we grew up. Towel coming like nothing now. But for enough away, towel wasn't a thing or whatever. Cecilio said you towel, you go beach and thing. All that you're lucky to. Right? And then even when you get a towel, somehow you're not too comfortable with it. But even when you get a towel, the towel was for the entire family. One big towel for the entire family. Right? One towel for the entire family. Everybody use a towel. Until me remember, you get older and then you start understand some things out there, you know, so. Remember when we did get one towel from Aunt Tensi in England? I remember my mother, I tell my sister, say, Kingsley have to use a towel, you know, so make sure so and so and so and so. And my sister was like, oh, okay. You know, girl talk, you know, like, I use a towel, so make it. But me never understand what going on. Me was a wash belly, you know. I was a little one there and thing like that, you know. So yeah, because of the one towel, you know, so some boundaries that for there, you know, so, you know, mama tell her that, I say, careful, nobody use a towel. You see it? Yeah, you know, them look weird. But me never grow no towel. I when me turn big man, me have towel. I when me turn big man, me have towel, yeah. I when me come a foreign and thing and whatever, and me go black people yard. Black people. Me see that 3 towel something there. A black people yard, them have the 3 towel pan exhibition, you know. You know, black people yard, them have the big towel, the medium towel, and the small towel. In the bathroom, you know, pan the towel rack, you know, but you're not supposed to use. Those weren't supposed to be used. Them towel enough for use. Them towel are for style, for exhibition. And then going there, them just give one different towel and say, you want drive for that one. You're not for use the one them where they're for exhibition, pan the towel rack. The rack in the bathroom where for all the towel. Them towel there, you're not supposed to use them. Right? And depending on the home where you're going there, them they are the pretty towel. And them neat, like symmetrical, you know, like you have the big one, neat body something, the middle one, the right smacking at the middle of the big one, like they measure it, you know, and then the small one, and don't you ever wash your hand and go dry your hand in that towel and whatever, this and that. Not only that, it not feel look like whatever, them come in about them smooth it out and think cause it just did it. Right? So, but then when we go white people house, them not in other exhibition something there with the towel them. Them have the towel in our bathroom and then you use the towel. Like white people, them never care about the towel for structure a certain way and to sit a certain way. White people, them never do that. And the black people them also going to like, you know, you're going to some people just come and say, oh, and if you want to dry your hand, you can use this towel here. It's a little diplomatic way. Nobody use a pretty towel when you see in there. Yep. So, yesterday now, when the woman did explain and she said, she recycle her rag and she keep them for more than a year. Again, what she meant was, after she done beard with them, she keep the rag and she can't use it for something. Sometimes people use it for wipe off shoes or, you know, and then put in the kitchen at the ground and thing for wipe up look at something or whatever and thing like that. But you see that mentality there where we never have it like that when we are grew up. You have many people from humble background in the Caribbean. We feel a tremendous amount of guilt when we are throw away anything. Right? We are guilt-ridden if we feel like when something comes for throw away, right? It's a problem we have with someone we need for address, you know, because, we need to address it because a lot of Jamaicans are like that, a lot of Caribbean people like that. Them afraid for dash for things, you know, because they say, no, this can't use for something or whatever, you know? Right. It's a form of hoarding, but not hoarding on a clinical level like where you sit on them type of thing there, whatever. It's a guilt thing where we never have it like that. So, you know, so when we reach a point, you know, when we have it, we just like, we don't want to waste it, you know? So we just feel like, no man, this can't use for something. Nobody dash for this, so, and whatever, this can't use for something. So we feel like, say, when we use a certain item to a certain point, we, you know, put it yes, because we can use it for something or whatever, or what a lot of people do is like, put it there so I can send it to somebody who would probably need it or carry it, go Salvation Army or Goodwill or whatever, but for a lot of us, we don't like throw away stuff, you know? Which is a whole different thing, you know, with the food, because it's a problem many of us have now. We buy all these things, food, put them in the fridge, and we don't eat them, and then them spoil, and then we end up at throw them out, and we feel guilty like we waste food, because we never, and it's not a good thing or whatever. So when this lady was saying that she recycle her rags, that she did refer to. She used the rag them for something else. So when she said, yeah, I'm going to keep them, I'm going to use them again, but it's use them again for something else, right? Yeah. That's what was going on, right? So I just want to clarify that, you know? Wait, what Sonia say? Me don't like the people here and see tons of butter containers. What you mean? What you mean, Sonia? What you mean with the butter container them? Like, what wrong? What you mean tons of butter container? Why butter container specifically? Robert Gibbs said, I just boil my rag in bleach water, bro. Come on, think that a Caribbean. My rag them serve long till them frazzle out. And when you wash it out, and it can't reach a point where you can't wash out the soap anymore because it start look slimy because the soap in it. Yeah, a hot water to the thing. You have to soak that in a hot water, man. Forget out the steel soap out of it. And you're good again. Good again after that. You're good again. Miss Delight, rag should be changed often. Miss Delight, me hear what you say, but we are talking about people where we did have to deal with. No, people can't do that. Me tell you no. I met a few people who don't use a rag. Oh, them save it to put food in her, but it's too much, man. What the butter container them? When them save the, I can't believe butter container them and put food in it. Oh, is that a thing? We don't know. I just people just buy Tupperware, like Tupperware around the place. You see people that go to Boom and go in a dollar store and have them Tupperware, cause them cheap. So yeah, a Tupperware, missy food store in enough. People store food in enough. Me not see that's sitting. But anyway, the argument where the person who me know, again, me know a woman again, you know. She don't use one rag twice. Never use one rag twice. And when I was like, why is it even necessary? And her thing is like, yeah, but rugs are so cheap right now. Why when you don't need to use a rag twice. I don't know. That might be a little bit of a stretch. I would think, you know. But if she can easily buy 30 rag every month and thing and whatever, then I guess, you know. Right? People. Suppose me tell you, say, it did common for when we grew up and we had picnic. And like, when I had a baby, we had a picnic and grew up, auntie. You did have like 2 or 3 brief. Girl picnic have like 2 or 3 panty. Yeah, like 2 or 3 panty. Your sister them, each one of them have like 2 or 3 panty, and you know, 3 was like the average. Not even 5 or 7, you know. When we grew up, 5 or 7 brief, enough brief that. Right? There was a thing to wash and wear. Right? The same thing applied to underwear, the same thing applied to a school uniform. No for we did have 2, or if we're lucky, 3 school uniform. Right? No for when we come up, and no for we after you wear your school uniform for 2 days and thing, it have to wash the night when you come home and put back of the fridge. If you have a fridge. If you have a fridge, you have to put it back of the fridge for it dry and wake up early the next morning. Joanna said, one, and wake up early the next morning and iron it. After it dry, back of the fridge, pan the grill something, the heating grill something back of the fridge. Yeah. And that wasn't uncommon. That was very common. It was quite common. And that have a uncle who have fridge. Right? When me live with my mother and thing, we never have no fridge. We never have no fridge. And my mother did go buy one 2-burner stove where you have to get gas cylinder for whatever, this and that. Yeah. Because before that, my mother did work with our coal stove, you know. I remember when Miss Cherry, my mother, buy her 2-burner stove. Nothing not proud like her, you know. Remember, there's some things I remember my mother did proud about. When she buy her changer, what is a changer, right? I want to look at something where you put the record pan and you play the record. Don't ask me why it name changer. I change it name. So remember my mother did have a look at changer and sitting. And you know the changer, the something when you put on, it have to have like one 1 cent pan it or sitting for keep it down. When it a play, you have a tape or one money pan it, you know. When you put it down, when it a play, you don't remember them sitting there. So remember my mother did, you know, and then them time you play either 45 or LP. LP was a big record, 45 was a small record. And then remember when my mother did buy one typewriter. Ratted. Who could have chat to Miss Cherry? Who could have chat? Every time that first was all the cover up, you know. But every time she passed, she look on her typewriter and thing and whatever. You understand? Yeah, because Miss Cherry was a trying woman, you know. That's why our boy picked the tan, so. And that's why I wash Billy tan. So Miss Cherry always a try and a push herself in her little world, you know. So remember the changer, the typewriter. One time Miss Cherry go by. Miss Cherry go by one Now one thing in pay down pan it in Jamaica, it name higher purchase, right? Higher purchase. It's an interesting term there. So mama, they want to buy one dining room set. But I don't know how it go, but she couldn't get the full dining room, the table with the chair them. So they must tell her so she have to get either the chair them first or then the table. And something did happen where it's like she did want the chair them, but them say, I better get the table because the table I got done, you can always get back your chair them, you know. And think she either buy it from either it's either quartz or no, Kelvinator was electronics. Home electrics and Kelvinator, those were electronics, right? Home electrics and Kelvinator. Who remember Kelvinator? Just me, they remember Kelvinator. I will peel her talk about Kilani Mart. Kilani Mart had a later sitting that, man. As old as you see Kilani Mart in Jamaica now, man. That Kilani Mart had that later on when the Indian people embossed Kilani Mart, man. Right? Peel back in our time, it was home electrics, Kelvinator, and Coach. Coach did a long time, do you know? Coach had run it long time, you know, and they are singer too. But Coach was the king of the thing, man. Coach and singer are the granddaddy of them, man, and things, see? Right, but home electrics too was the you know, HV say home electrics equals singer. When you say home electrics, I eat turn in a singer, I don't know. Right? So my mother buy them something, man. Oh, nobody not proud like her, you know. So I remember when she buy her gas stove, her 2-burner gas stove. Hey! No, and by the way, when we say gas stove, people don't think gas stove, modern gas stove. I know that. I want little sitting both so, both this tall and both this wide. That's it. Yeah, that's it. and have like a little metal footing and thing or whatever. And what you do, you buy a gas cylinder. And, you know, you connect it and you put on, you have to be careful with the gas cylinder. But yeah, right, black pole up on 4 legs, right on foot, and whatever. And nobody couldn't chat away when we have gas, when we buy our little gas stove and sitting and whatever, you know, Miss Cherry. Right? Them days there, you see it. And nobody never proud like Miss Cherry, but them days again now, what we are saying is, you just never have it like that. So you find, say, there was a degree of economizing with everything that was normal, right? So you can't use your modern, you can't use your access to modern resources in a fairly voluminous way, like a lot of it and things like that, and compare it then. So I tell you, say, back then, it was 2-3 brief. And there was this mentality where you wear and wash. You had to wear and wash. So there was a lot of wearing and washing. Washing was done a lot, right? And you have to make a thing run out, you know. You know, have no school uniform for every day. That never been our time, that never did. I don't know if it did there in the uptown people or whatever, but I can't tell you, say, I get to this, that never there. You wear your school uniform. There was a term like, that dirty or it half dirty. Yeah. There was that thing where like, no, go watch it. It half dirty. If it's half dirty, you're good. Or dirty was different from half dirty. And that was very clear to us in a ghetto. Right? That was very clear to us in a ghetto. It's either dirty or it half dirty. All right, see, the real diamond, 2 uniform. And it have to wash on Wednesday. Yeah, man, that was regular thing. Regular thing I get to. But what I say is, the same thing for the clothes, there was that same economizing that was going on, amongst with the underwear. And it wasn't an issue. It wasn't an issue. You know, say, you wear your, about 2-3 days and then you wash them. And then you bring them for the rest of the week. And then the way people washing at the Caribbean and pure washing, People take washing serious in the Caribbean and in Jamaica. You understand? Wayne Harriet, I want to Wayne Harriet about 2 pairs of shoe. I want to Wayne Harriet about 2 pairs of shoe. Listen to me. When I grew up, everybody have 1 pair of shoes. But now, when you have 1 pair of shoes, you really have said, these are your going out shoes. Jamaicans have a term where like, you're going out shoes and you can't have a judging shoes, right? So you can't have go-out clothes and you can't have what is called judging clothes. And judging clothes, when you just wear or whatever, and you have your go-out clothes. And when they get to most people, you had 1 outfit, 1 thing where you wear go out. And I eat you wear good anywhere you go. Now it's that other 1 outfit that you wear. Right? And you not wear it no either. You might wear it go church or so, Or you may have a little church thing different, but you have a little gold clothes different. And anytime you school I keep barbecue, I that one that you wear. Yeah, because school barbecue was a big thing at Jamaica. I don't know if it is now, but you see how them... You see how them going about them prom up here? That barbecue for we was the big thing. What? What? When you're high school, I keep... But it was high school, It was mostly high school, right? And when you're high school, I keep barbecue, and you have your 1 going out clothes, and your 1 going out shoes and whatever. 2 shoes, ratted. When you wear the shoes that you try come home, get your... you remember when I tell you, you remember the woman said she recycle her rag and whatever, let me tell you where that come from. You will use the rag till the rag frazzle out, but you don't dash for the rag. Because that rag now may end up be the rag. When you go clean your shoes, you wet that rag there and you use that rag now and wipe off your shoes. And then after you wipe off your shoes and it dry, you get your key with shoes polish. Right? You get your key with shoes polish. Black or the clear one or the brown one. And you polish your shoes. Me don't see nobody polish shoes anymore, you know. You polish your shoes. You polish that shoes there, right? And after you polish it, you shine it down with your shoes brush. At least with that shoes brush. After you shine it down with the shoes brush, you have a look at shoes cloth now. You rub it down with the shoes cloth and make it shine. And you're good again for school the next morning. Know that here. I saw the thing did set. And that was a routine. I would just do it. Who did have crepe? Which is what you would have called sneakers. For we, it was crepe and thing. And if the crepe white, try and know you have to have a look whitening. Right? when the phone sneakers ugly run, go buy sneakers. We did have to have whitening for our crepe. And you wipe off that and thing and when you're there at school, you have to be careful because you don't want well if a problem for go clean it later and all this. So we'd have one whitening sitting for your crepe and thing and whatever. 2 shoes, one shoes me did have. Most of my life I come up. One going on shoes, right? I remember when one of the shoes was a plastic leather something that were Aunt 10 cents come down and thing, yeah? One plastic leather boot. Let me tell you something. The plastic leather is shiny so till. But you see, so it shine, I saw you better make sure you're not too walking at the sun too long and whatever else. Dog yam your supper. And then worse now, me that one look a contour. Because them time they know when you send go foreign for get shoes, them did have one sitting name ear letter. Ear letter for go England. Now ear letter is a letter where the actual envelope is the writing paper, right? It was like blue-green light. It was like blue, yeah. So you buy the ear letter and you write upon that, you write your letter where you send and whatever, and you fold it, and that is where you mail. Because it basically come with the postage. But one of the things what we used to do now is you buy the ear letter and you get the picnic come and the pick put in foot on the ear letter and then get one pen and one pencil and line and marker all the way around with the foot, you know? Yeah? And mark all the way around with the foot and thing and you say, and you send this a Kingsley foot, a Kingsley foot here and thing and then when it drop a foreign now, them just go and them go shoot and them buy and whatever. But me don't know Aunt Tensi couldn't really get it though. So when the boot then come now, to my foot kind of broad I front and thing when the boot then come. People, let me tell you something. You know what was a big thing I get off of we? All I want to know is some breed of life now. Let me tell you what it come and I get off. One sitting in name Contour. Somebody say hallelujah. Somebody say hallelujah for Contour. Oh. Somebody say hallelujah for Contour. Contour did come on Jamaica. You know what is Contour? We couldn't buy back shoes quick. So enough of we end up with tight shoes. And when it did fit to when we just get it, we have to wear it till it squeeze up with tour. Contour did come on Jamaica. Come on. People with Contour, right? Bunyan is it's the bossy term, right? Where your foot rubbing on shoes so much that it develop a kind of bruising on it and thing like that, right? And Contour did come on Jamaica, come on. Right? Every Rita say 4 Contour she did have. Right? When you look on it, but I tell you, say, you look at to feel it. You look at to feel it. You look at to suffer with Contour, I tell you. Right? Because I look at to get beaten first, upon the end right there, because a big toe can hold it like a Jeep. Because when the big toe, but not people in big toe, but if you have crepe, and the crepe tight, you know what was common when we grew up, when something named your shoes are big bread. You know what that mean? your shoes so tight on your foot that your big toe bust out on the shoe and you still have to wear it because you have no more to wear. That did come on. Your shoes are big bread, meaning a shoes tight on your foot. Your big toe can't hold it, so the big toe bust through. So when you wear it, you say your big toe in your shoes, in your crepe. Your shoes are big bread. Right? And I talk about 2 shoes and 3 shoes. Them time that you wear your shoes and when the heel go down, what you do? You carry that go shoemaker and make them take off that and put on a new heel. Or kind of like, you know, cut off something and put up on the part where I think. Them time that we wear shoes till shoes lean. Right? If you have look at that knee, or so, dog name your supper. All if you have bow leg, because bow leg come on or whatever, so you go lean on the shoes and thing. Them time they are common thing for see boot a lean in a getter. When I tell you lean boot, lean, come on, sit in that. Come on, sit in that. That's where we never have no more for that way. One shoes, carry that go shoemaker and make it shoe. The shoe, well, every community have 2, 3 shoemaker, you know? You see, 2, 3 shoemaker and all them something there. So Marsha Clark's out to foundation TamFam there. Ballet shoes, you know how much ballet shoes where you see Asian people wear when they wear a karate shoe or whatever. Enough ballet shoes, you see big toe push out cause big toe big bread and thing because of that them did have to work with. Right? One shoes. And as you reach home, you clean it. Right? As you reach home, you clean it for the next morning. That's why I tell you, say, all I want to write and all on a woman who on a panty jar full up. Anytime when I close on a panty jar, I push down the panty them and push down the panty them. I give thanks, here. Remember, give thanks. Give thanks. Give thanks. Because make enough woman tell you in here. I make enough man tell you in here. Them days there, yeah, wear tear brief and woman I wear tear dress. Come on, thing that. Come on, something like that. Right? And if you're skilled on the sewing, you did have one sitting name darning. And you can't darn up clothes, you know, but I want different skill for darn up panty. Right? And then up on the top now, up at the top of your brief, which part the panty meet like at the top, and that's usually a tear off and I look at well, so you have your top of your brief or your top of your panty, right? So you know the panty like come up and thing and whatever. But somehow that part that sometimes that part they like it just drop off a little bit off I top and one look all with there, so you know. And then now if you're skilled now you have to get like one thin thread. Like my mother did bad pan that. Get one thin thread. And you have to know how to, because through the panty them fragile and whatever. But them time the two you did have was some panty where them they look more durable to me. You know, them never, you know. Them time they like respectfully people, me just make you know. My family first, your mother. I'm going to say a thing, and when we did their ghetto, you know, tongue, never their ghetto, you know. Tongue, never their ghetto. Right? The sexy woman, them used to wear one panty where we call slingshot because it's shaped like slingshot cross them, you know, French cut and slingshot because you see it like slingshot. But tongue never... Not only it never exists, you remember that thing they may tell you about like yesterday with your bottom or people touch about them bottom. The average woman from uptown woman do it. We knew that uptown women do it. But the woman never come from our community, you will never get them with a tongue. Because for them thing is, no. Panty don't go up there so wrong there so. Them thing that can't clean, right? Win some sear sucker panty. Me no know what name so, you know. Me no know what name sear sucker panty. And then you have these whole English customs now where they govern certain things too. Because when the girls them used to wear them panty, the British thing was hot Jamaica, them are wearing them panty, but them have to wear one thick something over the panty. The woman them did wear slip. Because them wear panty and decent woman for wear slip too. Slip was a sheer panty like type of thing. It almost look like a skirt, but then for wear over the panty. So if you're a decent woman, you put on your panty, you put on your slip, and then you put on your skirt or your dress, right? For when the girls them go school, them have to put on them panty, and them did have to put on one another thick panty over them panty, and a panty that thick panty they did name bloomers. Because the panty, them woman for wear panty, but the panty must cover. Right? The panty have to cover. Right? Petticoat. So you know, remind me and say, that's a lot, but that's what it was. And we just never have enough of things, you know? We just never have enough of things. You understand? You see, that's something they want to talk about, laundry basket. Well, yeah, used to have big washing go on weekend, yeah. Yeah, big washing they go on weekend, like Marsha class. Yeah, in a PE class, the woman them did have to wear bloomers, cause nobody enough to sew panty when I this and that. Can't remember them days there, you know. The hottest game for the girls, them was a game named Dandy Shandy, you know. Cock up is a head and tips is a out, you know. And you have a sight, you know, over in the west, over Marsha side, over St. James, them call it sight. Over Kingston, we call it Dandy Shandy. But at the Kingston girl, them did better than the girl, them. What you St. James and Chilani woman, them and Hanover woman and Westmoreland woman come take we on. But when it comes to Dandy Shandy, man, right? The baddest sight was we fly up in the air and do the split. Yeah, them a throw the ball and thing and then, you know, you have the duck and thing and when you see the girl, them all a play and then I hold them skirt and just zoops and fly up in the air and we did as boy and we just dying to get look at prips and look at panty and thing that would just make our day. Right? If a girl a sight and we get a glimpse of her panty and we see her red panty, her pink panty, her yellow panty and say, Bomba! January panty, me see it. What an idiot. You understand? And the real bad side girl, them you see all of them a fly up, them just hold them skirts certain way, boop and make all some bad sight and thing and whatever, and hold them skirt. That used to annoy the frig out of us and think, we want to see panty. You understand? Right? Cock up is a 10, tips is a out. We never did for see this up with them and thing and whatever, you know, because that's how the thing they said decent and thing. But again, there was an economy of, you know, economizing of resources where, you know, we never have it like that. So we just have to get a limited amount that we could engage in a rotation, right? So the general thing with everything was 2, 3. Everything. You had the most people had was 2. If you had 3, you had enough. You don't need no more. Some people have 1. Some people have 1 school uniform. Then wear it every day and wash it every night. I see what I'm telling you, know. Every evening them come on and wash the school uniform, dry it and for iron it and wear it back the next day. Come home again, wash it and iron and whatever. Right? You add 2, boom. When that one they wash and thing, you wear the other one, and you know you keep and rotate. So the general thing was 3 is enough. 3 is enough. Right? When me come here, I say apartment I rent and fridge already in there, me turn idiot. Like, what you mean? And you know, and that wasn't a furnished apartment. You don't know apartment. If it's furnished, everything in there. But standard apartment, you have your fridge and you have your stove. When we come up here, I'm sitting there, I was like, wait, what? We never grew up with no fridge. You go shop and you buy your chicken back and thing and you cook it the same day. Right? You go buy ice. The shop have ice and the sawdust. The sawdust keep the ice and you buy a piece of ice and you use the ice the same day. Every day you go shop. Go buy the thing where you need where the shop have pan and fridge or in a them freezer. Right? You buy it that day and you cook it that day. Right? You go buy your this and that chicken and think chicken back was a thing though, you know? Yeah. Right? So just imagine that lifestyle, you know, and thing where so I'm telling all of this, you know, for go back to the whole thing, say, you have to put the underwear thing based on what people did I say yesterday in other context then. And it is within that context that alien drowned out yesterday. I'm broken on foot yesterday, although it's like in a modern mentality now with everything where you would never do certain things like that back in the day, but you're not going like you forget. So when alien knock on with that one, they know because when the lady talk and the lady I say, yo, from you use rag so and so, you know, use back that again and thing. Everybody running, true. That is what I do. I never do. Blah, 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 blah. And when alien come out now and alien say, una go like say, no for una never beard with the rag, soap up on the entire body with the rag, and thing, and watch the wood pan on the foot too and everything, and when you done, you ring out the rag and use that same rag dry off and thing. Everybody go through a phase of their life when they do that. Me no know if anybody come here and say them never ever do that before. Me no know if me can believe you know. No, Mark, you know, yeah, again, you know, me talk about people who never have it like that. Right? Because you hear Jamaica say, out of many, one people. Right? Out of many, one people. And then a lot of people who are not Jamaican or not from the Caribbean, they look at our little country and think everybody know everybody and think everybody whatever. But that same country they will say out of many, one people is the same country will say mix but don't mingle. And within that context, Jamaica is one of the most, even the Caribbean, right? Even the little country, and I mean, the segregation that exists in our Caribbean country, them is very, very sharp, right? So we in a ghetto, we never mix with uptown people, and uptown people don't mix with we. And if you go over Mobile, them have feed them version of it, which part uptown and whatever. We don't know nothing with people, basically we don't know nothing we're going on uptown, and uptown don't know nothing we're going with we. Right? We can't just hear certain things. Them time that, you don't, of course, no social media, nothing, whatever. Them in them one world and we in our own world. We just hear little something. Right? And that's how we know, so they made, know, so uptown people do so and so or whatever, thing like that, right? We, them don't know what going on, but so I'm sure their resources were different. I'm not qualified to speak on them because I really never know anything about them. The first time me to start know about uptown people I when me go Calabar and nearly drop down when I see Kiara drop off pick me at school. Like, what could I go so? What do you mean? You mean like them parents drop them off at school in a car? Like, what? Right? Yeah, that's something start here about pick me have them own room and them something there. And them on TV. I was like, no, what do you mean them on TV? Them time there, when we go Calabar, it's a picnic of them on TV. Right? At that time, we don't know nothing named TV. In my community, we never watch TV. Me never watch TV. We never nothing in TV. And then now, in enough community now, sometimes you have a person, because this is that me know when I live at Augustown. Because my auntie never have TV, because my mother did dead and I left boys' home, homestead place of safety, and my auntie come take me when I 18. And people, when I 18, me never have a TV in a house and whatever, this and that, right? At that time, I already do Calabar and graduate, early, whatever, And I don't know that's something about picnic have own room and own TV and whatever. When me at 18, you did have this yard next to it. I live in a tenement yard, this yard next to it. And them did have one TV, and the people, them was so gracious enough, them put up a TV and make we can go in at the yard and stand up and I saw what Falcon Crest and Dynasty. Hello? Yeah, and here a Dirty JR go on with swelling and Bobby and thing. And then what Falcon Crest with Angela Channing. I did have one show named Thornbirds, Bombard with the priest. Where him not supposed to a joke and go jump up in the girl belly and fall in love. Thornbird was a big thing. We have watch all show like Barnabas Collins, Duppy Show, and then sitting there whatever them time there. Yeah. And what couple foreign thing too. Fatal Birth and them sitting there whatever. And thing and pan, with that year by pan radio we have a Ring Ding and Miss Lou and Mary Gart and Never Willoughby and all and then sitting there whatever, you understand? Yeah. Never have it like that. And when you don't have it like that, you have to bounce it a certain way with what you have. Where you look back, I don't want to talk about what nasty and why you have to do this and that. Yeah. Back then they never asked. We were $6 million man, Steve Austin. Right? That was a big show. And then Steve Austin, the actor did name Lee Majors, and him did there with one girl where did in the Charlie's Angel. You understand? And $6 million man turned me in an idiot because he was a bionic man, which means him can go faster. But somehow going faster, when him a show it on the TV, him a walk normal. But when him supposed to go faster, him a go slower. And when him a go slower, this is the sound he make. Don't allow me. Let me do my thing. 6 million, Steve Austin. $6 million man. Lift up one big store. Not so a faster. Him a go faster, Yeah, and him a go say, understand? Yeah, and I said we there I said we are 6 million. Farrah said she see him one in a Charlie's Angel. Well, Lee Majors, the actor who play Steve Austin, the bionic man, the $6 million man, right? Him did there with Farrah Fawcett and we have follow mix up with them and all these things and whatever. Hello? Yeah. Yeah, I tell you, say, why God bless them people who didn't make you watch them TV, because I pressure upon we, for here we lunch did I go on with Angela Channing and thing, and with the black hair woman name from England again. With the black hair woman from England, where they did somebody soon put in name. Not Dominique. Joan Collins. She CM1. Joan Collins and Lance and the woman there, whatever, what did in the other big soap opera show where a beat you get a people chat about that. Enough. Right? People get heated about them show there. Right? Petronella says she in her bed cracking up with the memories. I want my turn. Dynasty, yeah, Joan Collins in a Dynasty and whatever. People, we never miss them show there, How they talk, how they town. That was before, Warren Brook and Bold and Beautiful, Brook would take the whole family and all and sitting. That was a big sitting too, Brook, but that come longer. Falcon Crest and thing and Dynasty, yeah. Love boat, jeez and peace. Come on, people, man. Come on, people, come on. The Love Boat. The Love Boat. Yeah. And we have to watch Love Boat and all and sitting in them and thing like that and whatever. But people them days, TV sign off 12 o'clock at night time. No more TV, 12 o'clock TV sign off. Then put up one ugly something upon one black and white TV, one ugly sitting. So one look a machine, black and white sitting. And then singing national anthem. That was it. TV sign off, 12 o'clock. After that, we have to go out there, 12 o'clock, and create one little thing. And at them time, they look at Anansi's story we tell, or some slack big boy story. You know about big boy story. Big boy are going with the something, them and all them thing there. And people probably have like one little tree trunk where you sit on, or you know, if you there get up on a sidewalk and look a thing there, whatever. And people talk story and thing, or you draw a card and sitting until you go in your bed and all them thing them. Jesus, Craigton, stop. Voyage to the bottom of the sea. Voyage to the... Zodi, I want you to talk about thank God for CVM. I want to that woman about thank God for CVM. Zodi, I want you there about thank God for CVM. CVM, I later sitting. I would have to put TVJ. That's only one of the TVJ or CVM yet. We still there, JBC, the Jamaica Broadcasting Corporation. I want to them people here. CVM are later sitting. Right? Yeah, JBC, the Jamaica Broadcasting Corporation, with the white Jamaican man we read all our news them. Dennis Hall. Them time no black people, no local black people no dep on TV. Be a white Jamaican. And a Dennis Hall that run JBC and read all our news them. Right? Yeah, big up Tony Patel. Mr. Tony Patel, what they may have to wonder if a man at age and thing. He may have to be about 80 at the year old or something like that. Right? Now, when you see me, I'm a later sitting man. Lindy Della Pena. That's right. You understand? And time that night, I want to show him Barnabas challenge with one vampire. And he did have Dracula too. Right? Them time the cartoon did nice. Rough and Ready. Tom and Jerry. Road Runner. Speedy Gonzales. Right? I want to hear about Ekel and Jekyll. You understand? What do you want to name with the people and we living in our space? The Jetsons. Listen to me now, man. Hello.
Hello, Wagwan.
Wagwan.
There. So you remember one time you usually see the rainbow color?
The what?
When the TV sign off?
The rainbow. Me know the ugly something.
When the sign off, man, you see some almost different streak of color. So right now it's like, me I remember that now me I look actually on the pride flag, and that me actually the look on.
But me see some people that say yes, color bar. Me don't know what kind of no, listen to me. Listen to me, darling. Me don't know how old you are and thing, right? When we watch TV, it never no color. No color at all. None. Just black and white.
But remember say when the black and white, they remember say you have some people when the color that coming in at the same time too, Because when me get to go prepare over somebody and then people here don't go watch TV too, But I have a little thin paper, red paper, they put on over it or green paper and say they might watch color TV.
No, me just know. That your attack?
No, not only that, but there was the rainbow color as well. When the TV sign off, you see that color, they stay funny.
Darling, I'm not disputing it, Me just I tell you, I don't know it because where I was, it was straight black and white, like color TV coming long after,
Yes, but I think when it sign off, because I'm used to the black and white TV, but when it sign off, that color still coming funny during the day until the 12 o'clock news are already ready to sign on back for evening time. Because we just sit down and watch the color so till it come off and then you just see them start. Yes.
No, hold on. Tons of people are agreeing with you. Them members. So I'm just saying, you obviously know. Yeah, me just me not really, because remember again, when when after I come out of boys' home, and then we'd have to watch a neighbor, eventually my auntie get one little TV, And when Jesus God, would I show the name again? And then
Anna Falcon Quest.
No, man. It was like it. If I can't remember.
You're far older than me, so you don't know some TV series what me still don't know either.
Right. But what I'm saying though, remember one show when we watched with black and white, right? Because it was all black and white at that time. And and then what happened to, the whole thing with the antenna?
Oh God, man, nobody talk, man. 20 years ago. Go back to this, so you turn up the field 1 hour, 30 nights, man.
And then when they say,
we should not be there,
right there, and then you go on the ear. No, I can't keep it right there, because I hold it in my hand. I hold it in my hand.
And I'm telling you, let you go and tie up, breeze blow you back the other way up here, right? We should not be there, right, in a Jamaica.
Carla, tell them about this something where they on the TV we make a picture keep on a go up. The full picture go up. You know what I mean?
I remember when I was know, so I have to slap it and get a box, make it up.
Yeah, they beat it on the side and whatever, man. It keep on a go up, like the full screen a go up.
It's a run non-stop, on the marathon.
Just annoying as hell, and you have to try catch it, feet stop and whatever and thing and probably. Worse when you have when it develop antenna and thing and whatever. Talk about the hanger and when you put the hanger in a TV. Hello.
I want to you, man, when the pole broke off, you have to catch up here and you get one little good thing there, then somebody pass and bouncy, and then it's gone.
Yeah.
Oh, we're coming from a far away because it was JBC for a long
time.
Years.
And then TV,
long
JBC
time.
So till they TVJ, yeah.
Then they come to Super Supreme. Don't forget that. That's why I call you Super Supreme.
No Super Supreme.
No, man. The TVJ turned the JBC turned to Super Supreme.
Before
it turned. Yes, man. I remember. Then it turned to TVJ, and that's where it is.
Well, and about what year that it turned in a Super Supreme? Because I don't think I was in Jamaica at that time then.
Maybe, me did also say about maybe about 95 to early 2000.
Yeah, me never there at them time. Me never.
Yeah, me figure. Yes, man. So anybody we can tell, remember the name Super Supreme.
No, people say they remember. Me no know.
Yes, man.
Yeah, people.
People see you in there at the time they study, man.
No,
you're gone.
I mean, there up, Cause when Gilbert did whatever, me did a look up about a year before that me go America,
Okay, so that means man, you hold long time then.
Yes, I'm old. Well, and Lord Jesus, me having a senior moment. See somebody with some porn thing there in the TikTok chat and thing. Antasha Christina did with that, moderator did with that. Yeah, man, go on. Yes. Why the name Super Supreme?
Yes, man. Super Supreme.
Yes. Said to me, I never know. Also, JBC returning to Super Supreme for about how long?
Yes. Me not remember how much it is. Maybe Google it on your phone, man. You will see. Just like when you take up King Arthur, King Henry last night quick. I'm surprised you go search for it so quick. So. Yes, man.
So Master Good has said just from 97 to 98. Okay. So from 97 to 98.
It did it for a while because I think they sell and then move out the paper. Cause the whole like I went one, the paper, the radio, and mostly the TV. You remember say all three of them I went in one.
All three of which three, whatever. Gleaner never linked with JBC yet. Gleaner never linked. Gleaner did it by themselves. For a long time.
Oh, I just the radio and the TV.
Yeah, no, it was just the radio and the TV at first.
Okay.
Yeah,
me think say people went with them too, but I just say
no, JBC was radio and TV, It's after that now when like you said Super Supreme, but when it become TVJ, then TVJ after this so TVJ go start juggle with RGR. But remember say RGR used to compete with JBC radio, But RGR never have TV, but JBC did have TV and radio.
Yes,
Right.
yes, because I think, remember one time, no remember, but Barry, because we take long to get one radio too. So I think Barry when they at JBC, then they got RGR because those were the two stations first for a long while.
No,
No, so?
a JBC Barry G start, man, and lock it
Yeah, man,
place,
he
man.
did
Yeah.
it so, and then he go over RJ and he did that tell about the fact. So why you come over here for? Why you have a bit of blah? But
Yeah.
anyhow, but
Yeah.
me mean say we coming from a long
Yes,
way.
man.
When me talk about the big bread, when the big toe push out the shoes and you sew it until
Yes,
you sew it
man.
until the chair never can teeth.
Yeah, yeah. That's why, that's why some people who, I can understand if them never come from them time they like we did, right? But sometimes some people who come from our age group who come from one them time there, and it's like them forget, and sometimes them start behaving and see things in a certain way where you're like, yeah, come on now. You know better than that, yeah.
Yes,
Nobody going like say,
I
you never did in a giddy and red and thing and I eat red
yes.
ring and sardine with crackers and tough crackers
All
and
right,
sitting there, yeah.
definitely. You know what me not appreciate? When they come, it's like some just like take up 10 stone before them and dash it behind them and not even look like they don't remember how it was hard with them and them parents and sometimes you couldn't eat. I mean, gone are the stories when they tell about, your mom and how difficult things was. I was like, some
No,
people,
even worse. I don't want them who, like if them and somebody have something and that person they know for them resources depend the level with them did depend 20, 30 years ago or whatever. But them are gonna make disparaging statements and
yes,
certain things about them people right now. Like hello, you did this at one time, Bill. Humble yourself.
oh my God.
Yeah, you did
Remember when we
this.
are
So
got
don't
school, you
forget you
find
did
one
this. So
clip, you find a goal, you find one clip in our drop out and one next stick in here in a goal, you find your parents can't buy that.
seeing.
Yes, man, you have to, oh my God, trust me, man. But I mean, I'm just praying to say better will come. When we say better, because me looking at something, like say, worst case scenario, what if, all right, just not let me not use the pandemic. Say doomsday then, which anything can happen at any time because there can be something catastrophic from above and just put a blast where scientists not even could have tell say it coming. But I'm just saying, how would someone would survive because we can do without tissue, we can do without shower gel. You understand me think and things like those. So
Yeah.
me there, I don't waste a pin. My food can't waste because remember days my parents never have a sauce or yam and butter. No, but some people they wonder why they talk about yam and butter.
Dumpling and butter,
Dumpling
come on,
and butter.
rice and butter,
Rice
just
and
rice
butter.
and butter, right? And then with it
Ah,
nicer when you have the gold seal butter, the gold seal cook.
no,
What
go.
they call cooking
Them,
butter, right?
yes, man. Look here, my niece,
And true, when I true
go
the
down and
gold
say,
seal
look here.
butter did have a little more salt in it, sodium in it and thing. It did
What?
it did like it get it like the steam rice, little flavor. And
The
yo,
gold seal, man, just did have
yes,
a
man.
taste, have a buzz. And when you smell that, it's just like, it come like no $1 million meal, no smells so good.
And
All I when you catch little
people.
scallion.
Well, and people, then you did have one
Mm-hmm.
butter we go, you did have two butter we around the place, man. First of
One
all,
name chiffon.
you did one year chiffon, one year anchor butter. But anchor,
Oh, anchor, yes.
right? But when chiffon butter, but me say, hey, who both say like get up people, cause chiffon butter was a thing. But then,
Yes,
then you
man.
have, and then you did have anchor butter, which was like the
Yes.
nicer butter. But then different from that, people go a shop and you buy butter, You can buy piece of butter and then
Bone butter.
yeah,
Yes, man. And wrap up in a
you could
plastic.
have buy
Yes.
piece of butter and wrap it up and thing. And sometimes your mother send you go buy me, you have to buy one little piece of butter too and thing and thing like that and whatever.
Yes.
Them days, man.
But the next thing was coming like $1 million meal. Fry up the highest, fry up the onion and the scallion and one little piece of pepper in it. You don't know the style. Eh?
And why else you put in it?
Nothing. Just the onion and the scallion.
Oh
Me
no,
say
no,
you
me
kind
know,
of
why- no. That's when them Jamaican have a term and say you don't have no meat, or Jamaican term, you don't have no meat kind. So what you do is it's equivalent up here. People say they mix like a sauce, go make the sauce, but we never use them bossy term there. So what we do, them say cook up some seasoning. That was the term. Cook up some seasoning and eat it with the rice and thing. But me never like that because me never like eat the scallion and the onion. And
oh, boy, it burn and tastes good, man. Oh my God, man. But me understand if you just never like it, but trust me, then there are things where we live for. I mean, you know, no something that was great. They say, wanna hit the smell the fire that time they don't know say that because you also look upland people, you know, in the community, you know, and you know, you have to this watch them a pass galang, but you just have to live your life and after you can eat your meal and
Give
your belly
thanks.
full and
Give thanks.
that was just the greatest thing, yeah. So
Proper.
I mean from far and boy, but it's hard, it's difficult to tell people say no look down because the most say who is you that to say so. I don't look down upon nobody though. I don't look down upon nobody. Despite that in fact that me come here and you know that try a thing.
Right.
But remember the one room, one bed we do much we head and tail. Enough people I wonder what they matter about. They say go no pack up and wire like sardine them back up sweet.
I come on, some of that when we are grow up and you have to sleep head and tail. And the time when you sleep head and tail and the yalla get some rotted kicking at your face and some healer kicking at your face at night time and whatever.
One cheesy foot in your face.
Yeah, but you get used to it and thing. And dog mess up if one of them still a piece them bed. Everybody feel it.
Everybody
come up at top. Yeah, if them one of them still a piece them bed and thing a problem and thing and sitting there. Well, we go through them sitting there. Let me tell you something. My mother did get one little mattress to me, but guess what? It was what? One Kaya mattress.
Oh, man. Kaya with little springy night.
Yeah, and then the Kaya have some sharp little one and whatever now. And when the sharp one then come through the mattress and juke, you know, you have to push it back and bend it over so it's in there. But me did that one stubborn one, I cure me bend it over and find some way to push back out. And me I try tear it off out there. I didn't know one come in. So you know, so me figure out a way to sleep around it. And when me in my dead and my sleep, unconsciously, me know what the juking one day, you know, and me turn and turn and turn and turn. It not rush juke me, you know, juke me in the night time, because I know exactly where it is.
So you're not flipping mattress, man. You remember when you tell you have to flip a mattress? Yeah. You don't remember that?
No, but no.
So when the spring gets up, you flip it on the other side.
Oh, you mean when the spring push out, you flip your mattress?
Yes, man. Well, you will cut it too, you know. But when time it turn up too much, side down. When it come up too much, you put cardboard on your whole clothes.
Yes, man. And whole clothes. Roll up your whole clothes around the spring and things so that spring will juke you.
And put it on it. Down and tear down. Oh, happy second-hand mattress we usually get. Because it's just a way of...
Them time they when all people are going to start up on them mattress and the spring and whatever, they know a juking part, they must say, come over here, sir. Come over, now go over there. Come over here.
Look, I one big old cry for my leg. I say, blowing, my mother say, one big old cry, because the spring get up and juke with.
Yeah.
One big old cry. When the mother get one, when they look one get two, them lie down in a big that come like one elephant when lie down in a big cry. Where do you only see for it?
Susan Smith, I said, what about bed bugs? A bed bugs, a chink we used to call it.
A chink, we didn't know.
A chink, we didn't know. And then time the chink come and I get to hear that, me I tell you, chink did I live big life when we grew up. Chink, they both right, you know, one thing or whatever. Enough of them migrate and then dead out and then gingeration.
Oh, you know what me say? They migrate come here and that me think.
Yeah. But chink and lice did I live big life, you know. We had chink, lice and weevil. Chink, lice, and
Yes,
weevil.
and weevil. Yeah.
Them people, them days when you buy flour, people, we have to
Flour.
spread out the
And
flour.
cornmeal.
Yeah, and when
And
I pick
cornmeal.
out the weevil out of flour, you know, you hear me I to ask her if I
Yes.
lie, me I tell.
Yes, man.
I
And make
pick
them
out
walk
the
out. Put it down
weevil.
in some put out. Make them
Yeah,
walk out.
I make them walk out, make the weevil and
Spread
walk
out the
out
rice.
first. And then we
Make
take
them
out the
walk out.
weevil and thing and then look sitting there. That was a thing you have to do.
Yes.
Just like how you have to shell gungo or so and them thing. You buy your flour,
Aye.
you have to take out your weevil first before you go cook it and thing like that, yeah?
Yeah, and
pick
we
them
can't
up.
dash away because guess what? Somebody else a look for that if we dash away. We don't have no choice.
Yeah, cook them in there either, I think. Anyway, big up yourself and blessings.
Yeah,
You know,
man.
always a pleasure here.
I respect to the YouTube because guess what? That's the only thing when we can call in. Because one night me a call in and I say, Raga, answer me. The person say, no, in the TikTok tonight. Me a laugh.
Oh yeah, because and you know, say me have
Still,
some
be careful.
me have some problem with the WhatsApp for make people when they dip on YouTube you hear it. The TikTok people they can't hear it, but it's a routing thing. So we work on it and thing. All right, but not say a word, man. We are juggling a billy thing. All right.
Hey, Raga, before you go,
Yeah.
you see my the joke what take it for last year for me, I the shit mix up. Me love their Panda Rock mix up, but I the shit mix up take it for me that more and tell
With
you.
the ship, the ship.
The shit mix up. The one the girl drink the supper and shit for the man.
Oh, okay.
But, yeah, that's the joke that take it from
I
me,
don't want
man.
to take
Me
it
there
for
work, man. Me nearly pitching at the people in food when me hear the girl say, I pay one spoon come out of the man's face because you know something like that similar happened to in my community. But my sister tell me, but she not tell me how because she say me love laugh and we see the people in my walk and look for them and laugh.
Right.
Well, the woman because the man dead. The one shit for the man and the man dead. No joke about that. The man dead. You say what you say? But I'm not literally hit the man. The man dead after like sick. He's sick after. He's sick, man. But now hit make you sick, you know. But you know, ailment.
Yeah.
But in dead can yes, you go hit the girl stop man and the girl that get it for the first time I'm frightened about it.
Oh.
So when he touch Miss Beep and the sitting there, the man and Miss Beep fire that sitting there says, how are you do shit? Say no man couldn't answer. Then me say that the man good in really go talk. Me could talk that they sitting there. All if I'm me when I get the hand cut that they sitting there and the midday in attack. But trust me, the shit that they take a cake for me because that made me laugh. But the mix up them, they're nice. But trust me,
all right.
That's the one.
Yeah, man, give thanks.
Not say nothing.
But me still think up on the rock a lead though, but we entitled to our own.
I would think so. Many people, people voted on the rock, but for me, you have something to do back with me, but me have to laugh because trust me, when me bust out a laugh, okay, people may say, you're alright. Because sometimes when me at work, I may listen to you, I may listen to you on rewind on the YouTube. Man, so the people say me bust out and good, I say, you alright? They call me, you alright? I say, yes, man, I'm so fit. Show them, say, me now, man, me now come off, and me rockers, yet, me now come off. Me I say, listen, I'm drive back and say, listen to joke here, listen here. Hey, woman, listen to it in there. And me say, no, you see why I'm laughing like that? Because me say, look here, that's the vibes, and that's how you keep me and keep many people, so. Kudos to you.
Blessings,
love and
man.
respect.
Give thanks, man.
All right.
Respect for the endorsement. Blessing, man. Cool. Yep, we is our day here. So I don't know if I'll be able to say. Hello.
Good night.
Good night.
Wait, hold on. I'm going to turn you off.
Yes, please. Thank you.
All right. My little two said, no, point. The topic where you're there, part. I grew up in a shop. So I kind of understand some of the things that my yard say. But you see the big Gila aisle?
Big Gila coconut aisle, right?
Half-pint aisle.
The what?
Yes.
The what?
The half-pint. Big Gila half-pint.
The big Gila half-pint.
Yes. So I just tell you, and then the envelope. My mother, when my mom was alive, as you know, my mother never used to sell no farmer envelope after 6 p.m. After 6 p.m., you can't get an envelope from her for buy.
Why?
That was a rule. Me don't know. I would just grew up with that something there.
Oh,
We
really?
cannot sell nobody, no, especially so remember, you have the two envelopes. Then you have the earmail envelope, which have the red, the blue, and the white. And you have the regular white envelope. The little small one there.
Right, now you had ear letter. Right.
All right. The ear letter thing go down. Well, me think me remember say, me not really that too far from you. So
no,
the ear letter one was you have to go to the post office to get that one.
Oh, the ear letter never sell a shop, a post office?
No, okay. A post office, you have to go get that one there.
Okay.
And then which other one is? Oh, the bun tote thing now. All right. So true, yes, my born in Kingston, my grand in Kingston. I go country for holidays just like my mother. Make sure that. So true, me didn't want to feel like me a big woman. I can hear what the good story. So, you know when you go downtown, you put your foot in this plastic bag and you try on the shoes.
Yeah.
It have heel. It me want for wear because I'm a big girl now.
Yeah.
But I see, when I say, oh, the food, you wiggle your toe, I wiggle my toe, I wonder one day it have heel on it, what you mean? It fit me. We were going to I don't remember if it was a wedding or a funeral, but it was one of them big occasions where you have to put yourself together.
Right.
Excuse me. So, we're at the deal. So, you know, so through your avant, you look, I remember as young girl, whenever I used to wear stocking.
No.
Well, would I help with a slippy? No. You know, so when halfway in the funeral or the wedding, as I telling them, I remember, I say, I feel a piece of sensation. Mama foot that dead. You know what is funny?
Right,
so remember that new shoes gonna end up being church shoes.
Well, you know, listen to me, you know. Well, it start blind you.
Okay, nice, man. I tell you something numb first before the blinding come in.
Yeah.
Me not blind yet. Now that new shoes going to now become the new church shoes. The Sunday morning when I go church, my mother so I don't traffic most of it. From the funeral, I would be down at the run at the back part runner so they get hinder. So the blinding part I got start now.
Right.
Remember me have to go to church and I go walk to church.
Yeah.
But I say halfway I tell you say I stop about if I stop 10 times, I not stop yet. Every 2 steps, I have to stop and wiggle the foot because the foot are dead. Everything that's happen one time.
Right.
Now, mind you, we never know nothing about it. Putting the band-aid on, we don't know nothing about that. You have to just make it heal. Finally reach a church. Now, you know, you have Sunday school and you have big service.
Right.
Now, mark you. Normally, halfway in a big service, I go because them time the hunger really start take you. Only time you hungry on a Sunday when you're there at church. You couldn't tell me nothing. Now, based on my situation going to church, I don't know how I'm going to reach back home. Now, the sun extra hot because I almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Hungry about me. And the food coming like it ready for fail me. That's why I tell people it's a bun tour. That's something I not promise nobody. I not promise nobody that, none at all. Which other one you did touch? You did touch something else again. You did touch something else. The TV, you did do that. But that's a simple thing. I remember. Anyway, that's just my little 2 cents. I'm going back and listen.
One fox, you know, never 2, you know. Big up yourself, my friend. Nobody can do you nothing. All right, blessings and respect, man. I say a word, all right? Love and honor.
All right, bye-bye.
People, you see that's something that we fox at our boat. Remember me I tell you about the plastic leather boat, them where they come from foreign, right? Then shine. And I make sun catch you with the whatever, right? So you know, I said we go East Queen Street Baptist Church. And one time we live at Waterhouse. So we'd have to take the 8 bus, come down at Kingston, and then walk all the way from East Queen Street, come down, you know, past Central Police Station, come down, you know, past Gate Theater, come down and go to church and whatever. So, you know, so when I walk in this one thing and then I tell you, so remember, say when you get your boot, you know, even if it fit, you know, because you don't put your foot on the ear letter and send it go a friend and they come down and thing, you know. But remember, say you been a weird boot there and you polish it and clean it and thing and whatever, this and that and whatever, you know. You know, cause it, you know, us puppy boot and all and sitting there, whatever. And you wear the boot, but your foot are growing right now, but you still have to work with it for a while, you know. Cause them have a way where them feel the front tight and thing. This can wear more, man. Your toe just reach up your son. I mean, I wear. So you know, so when the sun start clot up in that and thing, listen to me now, man, Holy Mary, mother of the sitting on it or whatever. I mean, I have to figure out a little thing, you know. Depending on when you go down, you know, the sun a lick on one side of East Queen Street, you know. So you have to make sure you walk on the shade side. In the boot there. You understand? So my mother now did my mother now, she was one of them people who, you know, them people who over church, them over Jesus, them just everything, so whatever. You know, all them people me have one relative, you know, when our son born and his son I grew up, he couldn't watch Harry Potter. Those demon things, a demonic thing. Well, then enough Jamaican people, them make them pick them watch Harry Potter. So you know, so when we walk, go down at East Queen Street, yeah, on the left side, if you go down in a central police station and but gated theater there on the other side. But sometimes the shade over there. So my mother, you know, when you walk near the theater because I be iniquity in the theater and this and that. I bear iniquity, don't walk near the iniquity over there. So falling angel and all kind of thing over there. So walk on the police side and walk on the police station side and all and sitting there, whatever. I remember walk on that and the sun a clot up over there. So you know, then shine plastic boot that will come from England, you know. Murder she wrote, man. Yeah, I have to dip it. But you see what facts start. When no found a woman know that both the shoes are rubbed back on your heel back and thing. Or if you big two of them, you know, if you two of them cringe up at the front and you don't have your car on them already and thing or whatever. So you try pull back it two of them from the back and you try pull up the back and thing or whatever. So you end up a walk funny, you know, like say like a hoof you have and thing or whatever, you know, and then sometimes people are look upon you have to play it off and balance your thing, cause you know want to look like you're kunomuno, you know, in a your shiny boot and thing. That time the sun a clot you up in that, you know, man. Yeah, and you know say them days there, as stupid as it sound, I'm gonna tell you something now, and again you're probably not gonna believe this. You see what is called dress socks? You see them thin dress socks for men wear? Most of we get to never have them there. Everybody wear what we call bobby socks, right? White socks with some color at the top, right? You never get me wear that shit right now. But me I tell you, it was bobby socks, right? But the bobby socks, them thick. Right? But them days there, your white socks are for sure. It was a thing for sure, your white socks, and it have a white and thing and say your bobby socks white and you look like you're white, you know? Yeah, both the term feet now are tube socks and all these things and whatever. But it was bobby socks with your dress shoes, your England plastic boot where I burn out your eye, the thick bobby socks in I son and thing. Problem, man. Problem. Them days there. And at the bar, then did that one sitting near Skittle. One game near Skittle. We have like some hole I tap and about like 10 hole I back and thing and whatever. And the man, them, I must see England he come from. I was Simone D talk about pool. Simone D, where you talk about pool? Master go along with your pool, yeah. We don't know nothing about no pool. It's not pool we are talking about, Simone D. Poor you. It's not pool. It's like a table like pool, but it's not pool. Skittle has some sitting upon it. Some wooden sitting who stand up by pool at the hole them. Right? We are getting we don't know nothing about no pool. We don't know nothing about no pool, Simone D. It didn't name Skittle. Skittle it name. Right? And it have like, you just say like one hole, yes, one hole, yes, one hole, yes, one hole, yes. And one wooden something there each at the hole. Like you can't look over the hole, but you have to get it ball in and hole. And they have some other hole on the back and whatever, this and that, when the man them a play and good. So then time man them a play, and of course you did have jukebox. You put in your money and you punch in your music and you watch it sit and spin and take up a record, the 45 record where you want to play, and they play the record and thing and pop some foot in there in a bar and all these things. And they give thanks, right? When they give thanks, I remember when I rise from here. Remember that when I rise from... Oh, this has the people there, but me not see. Sometimes I don't understand TikTok, you know. It is saying that people, if you don't want to come up, you have to come up because I not see you. It tell me say on a dead, but me not. When I open it, me not see. So that's come up in the who want to come up in a thing, yeah? Raga, it still overseas using. Oh, okay. Skittle still a going, though. Yeah. The plastic shoes is called patent shoes and things. Those were the days, right? So when you come up with any mix-up one, Geronimo, come up with any mix-up when you come, but any old-time memories thing and whatever. And think we need to do some of them things every now and then, man. You know, just kind of remind, you know, where the roots, I think, there. Because, you know, in other country and things that you can get so caught up with a rat race, as Bob Marley would have said, that you just move from one thing to the other. Fox just call what Hush, Dante, hush. Right? Fox did them, I tell you, Fox just call and whatever, and I do 3 job and all them. So it's like, say, sometimes, you know, even have no time for reflect and recenter yourself and, you know, like reminisce and thing and, you know, kind of touch about base and, you know, kind of touch about base with your roots and thing in ways where you can be, you know, thankful and grateful for some simple little things. Ambikilo, are you Africa? I don't know what that is. Wait, the CBS, the Are You Africa, what was it? It was a porn. Five minutes. Yeah. Oh, spamming the chat. Oh, well, Christina know where I'm going in. Oh, was it somebody just asking if I'm from Africa? I thought it was just somebody asking if I'm from Africa, like them here accent. You know, some people they hear accent and just assume say, well, you're black, you have some kind of accent, so from Africa, whatever. Yeah, man, people, I did have one iron, you know, where iron close a bit. I know me think that Taylor still use it at Jamaica, you know, right? The iron have the coal in the iron, you know, you have the iron there, right? The coal is an iron where you iron your clothes with, you know, people, but a coal in the iron. The iron have like a hole and coal in it, and you have to have one thick cloth for hole it, and you put your coal in there, inside of the iron, right? Yeah. The iron where you iron your clothes with, coal inside of the iron a burn, right? Them iron, them wasn't so common, but you know, some people have them in them home, right? The iron where me grew up with my mother now, before my mother did go buy one iron, either Kelvinator or Home Electrics again. But the iron when we grew up with, it was just one iron. It was literally an iron, like real iron with like, you know, it did shape so. And come on, so. And the way my mother ironed our clothes is, she did have 2 of them, and she put them pan coal. And we didn't have coal stove or we cook pan, but the coal stove did also heat the iron. And she have 2 thick cloth. One of the cloth is to hold the iron because it's hot. Because it's literally iron, you know, the bottom might shape so and come down and then whatever, right? And so when it get hot enough now, she take a cloth and take it up. But when she take it up now, she have to take the other cloth and wipe off the coal way off of the iron. Because it go up on your clean clothes or wash and clean. So it have to wipe off good, you know. So it have come out of coal. The coal fire, the burning coal. And you have to wipe it off good because you can't even have one speck of over. Worse if a white clothes you iron. And then she iron with that now. And when the heat and when she see like the heat out of that wear off, because it's a type of iron will hold the heat long, you know. And when she look like the heat wear off of that now, she put back the iron in there and make that one they go out and take up back the other one and clean up the bottom and them something. The other iron that we grew up with. People, if you don't see me just kind of humble and thing and whatever, you know, and them look at something them know about, you know. You nah hear this a boy a hype or anything, you know. Right? When you hear me tell me say me a old man, right? You now hear me hype and all them. So, hello?
Hey, one join back with the ironing. So, the one way man put the coal in, and my mother usually call it self-eater iron, but like there's just a self-eater. But it look like them did as a self-eater iron. So, you make the coal catch and it red, so you know, put nothing in the waffle gas, no smoke. They must be red. So, like, it's fully heated, like the coal red itself, no black, nothing depending.
Right.
So you put that in that the iron and then you gauge it as much and take time touch your clothes. Don't put it down too much because if you press it down, you may too hot and take out one rectangle of the clothes because the iron them always like no rectangle, triangle.
Right.
Triangle.
Yes. Right.
Triangle. Right. But the one you want to talk about now, the one you put directly in the coal itself, that the one there. So the two pieces of cloth you talk about where you use only, hey, you have too much of a culture, you know.
No,
remember you have to put little hair oil, panny or cooking oil and rub it. So rub it and rub off that blue. When it hot, so till it turn one little color blue panny, but it's a massive. If you put it on your clothes, it will lift the color. So you rub in a high and then you have one next piece of cloth. We rub off it on one white piece of cloth because remember, saying no, we are in white blouse with it, you know, white, in a full white, them, you know, always white so till it does the high, you know, because we rinse them in a blue soap, with blue soap, wash them, rinse them with blue. So when you hang them, you say, boy, how fun white, them so pretty. So you have to rinse them in a blue so you get that pretty white, eye color white.
Yes.
So yes, man, the ironing thing, the man, that triangle iron there, we were used to that, the one that the man for iron with white clothes with pale blue uniform for regular school. I know Parkins never depending.
See it there.
Great man. All right, me jump back in.
All right, that's a word, man. Bless up yourself, man. Them days with the iron and thing. But then Craigton. Boy, Craigton, I don't know what to say, you know, something I go on and say with a TikTok thing, and I see like you are try to get into, and you know. It has show me you, but me not seeing the people who are coming on TikTok. Oh, here we go. Oh, see them are coming here now. Finally are coming.
Raga.
Hello.
You hear me?
Yeah, man, wagwan.
A little piece of mix-up, man, I have to give you.
Box me in my nastiness with it, yeah.
Back in the days, I was overseas. So I met this guy. And him said to me that him girlfriend take him up overseas, for come overseas. But it's like she have somebody. So him decided on moving out. So I said, oh, if you move out from the woman, him say, I come live with me because she live with a man.
Okay.
I said, no, sir, I think, I want that for go on, you know, it too quick.
Yeah.
So him said, no, man, she live with a man. So me have to move on with my life. I say, all right then. Him live there about 4 weeks. And when him live with me, when I there work, man, the woman attack on phone. So the woman encourage him to move in back. So he move out for me while I there work.
Jeez.
But him still have the key. So I said to him, say, oh, you move out, gone back to the woman, and you still have my key. I say, carry the key, come.
Yeah.
If you don't carry it, come, I make the cop them pick it up from you. And you know, say, I go get the port. I say, all right, him carry the key back, come give me. One day, me there at work, somebody call me, say, you know, say, I get married. Come make me carry you around at the church. I say, no, sir, make him go on with him life. I come to Jamaica about 4 years now and running back to him, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, we are going, I say, oh, me I play about this thing, I won't give up. I say, what you do me I go do you wicked. The woman start, I don't know who she get my number.
So when you link him back at Jamaica now, wanna start do so again, though?
Yeah, because I'm good like that, you know, I'm good like that.
Well, in bad though, you know for angling business, no?
Yeah.
So you say no, him deserve a run back even though him violate, you know, him deserve a run back because the boy can go and go. And probably your body did all a call to, don't? Ready for
come did the put on and now, you know?
Yeah.
I say, all right. I hope him not listen.
Yeah, so, he not listen, man.
Yeah. Leave all the way from town, you know. Go country, because country him come from.
Yeah.
I'm say, Raga, one night, you know, a big people thing.
Yeah.
Table and dinner heat, right?
Table and wait, who I eat? Who do the eating?
We have to code up with something, you know.
Me know, but who do the eating? He might eat.
Yeah.
Yes, he might eat night soup with some good chocho in it. Go on,
yeah. Wifey call now. When wifey call, video call to you know on WhatsApp. Wifey say, what had pan your mouth?
Yeah.
And him say, you know say, some via what a milky juice name where them sell at the bar.
When sell a bar, the milky juice.
Some thing.
Yeah. One look a smoothie sitting, you know.
Yeah, him say, you know, and then you know, say me not really like drink them, you know, because when me drink them, it just run my belly so. Right now, I want to go bathroom. I go bathroom and call you back. Yeah, so I did, you know, whatever the panny mouth, Raga, and say.
No, you can't say it. So your juice did the panny mouth corner, no?
Yeah.
Because you wet up that, though.
Yeah.
Because he can't eat good, though. You're a good eater, though.
And me, if you tell that's why I get back to work.
That's right. Well, I'm going to answer video call and thing with your juice pan in mouth and all and sitting in there. Oh, God. Answer the wife, you go see it and thing. Just tell her, I'm looking soy milkshake and thing and whatever, you know.
Mr. Raga, you know from when me want to tell you every time I hear you show me just a smile. Because the whole of the teeth they run at the ears can. Every time remember.
So every time someone in don't talk to her, he just go back and get back busy again, though.
Yeah, because him tell her say, ma go bathroom.
Right.
Here her now. Hurry up and come. Me say, hurry up and come. Me come already.
What she say? Well, I said she tell him hurry up and come and you.
Yeah.
But you just say it to yourself, so hurry up and come in, don't come already. No.
Yeah.
Okay. Well on. Him did come already?
No, me I say when she tell him for hurry up and come back for call her back.
Right.
In my mind, me say, me come already, so you can say the thing him have diarrhea.
Oh, you come already. Me think you say him did come already.
No.
You did come already. Then that's because he must see where you. Yeah, you're right. No, me did just curious because me think he said him did come already, you know.
No, Raga, if me tell you say the person take good like that, him can't come leave me. You crazy, Raga?
Right.
Go say first.
You have a papa
because
first.
I so nice. Me say every time I see her post picture, I just a laugh after her. Cause she make trouble in her, Raga. That's why I go back for you now.
Oh, what kind of trouble she make?
She like go on the media.
She did a style. Yeah, go on the media and do it.
Because she get him to come back home.
Yeah.
She always put up all big cooking in a plastic plate and wife cook husband food and this and that. I said, don't worry yourself. You spread the dine. I spread the wine.
But hold on. Oh, you know, say she post have anything to do with you?
Raga, remember me tell her so we live overseas, right?
Yeah.
And she move out and live with a man. He move out, come live with me.
Oh,
right?
Okay, right.
So it's like when she find out, say, move on. She even start stalk all my yard, and my vehicle.
Oh,
I say,
okay.
all right, we're going to do the relay.
Yeah.
Win-win. But on the other side, me know when me are winning now.
Yeah. So all she get him to move back and thing and whatever, you wet up him face with the pina colada.
Me for tell you, I may tell you something like recently Jamaica thing, with the via thing there.
With the what?
With the via juice, so him tell her about running belly. At the time, no belly, the man, they want to go back to him work.
You see, the man want to go back to him work. I mean, if you start a good meal, it only makes sense that
why
you
not finish it?
Finish it, man. Eat up, and make sure you digest and belch too. Eat up your food, man, and belch. Get your nutrients and so forth.
Later, you too bad.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, man. I like that one. That one, the conic, man. That one, the conic. Yeah, man. Respect, cool.
Cool.
Yeah. I want to pay your mouth. I want to pay your mouth. I look at pina colada, man. Look at juice I want to make. I make it with soy milk and thing. And that I go and write this and thing. Yeah, pina colada, and here I go. I need to go to the bathroom and kind of thing. I probably shouldn't even get it. I kind of run my belly a little bit. I need to go to the bathroom. I'm going to call you back here. I call you back, all right? No worry yourself, man. I call you back here. All right, hang on. Me call you. Okay, my girl, spread the eagle again. Yeah, no. And them young people, who not living a life, big up on yourself here, sir. Big up on yourself. One life to live, enjoy it, right? Enjoy the life, go and do the thing and enjoy the life and thing. When you see this thing, I start back in foolishness again. Craigton, send it back up. It has showed several hours there, but me not see one here, so just send it back up here. Me don't know, like, come off. It is saying it there, but I am not seeing it. Right? TikTok do them something, them have all kind of software problems. So all I people who send up for talk for the TikTok chat and thing, just come down and then big beer. Like come down and then go back. That don't ever sound too right, Big beer, I don't know if you did it, it show you, it show Craigton and whatever. So just anybody who in the chat box, the TikTok chat box, just come out and forward and then make us see if it was shown. Because it show sound there, but I'm not seeing it when I open. I'm not seeing it when I open it. Okay? It tell me something for invite on them something. But I see the option for invite on them, but I not see one in the box. All right. All right. Okay. And people over YouTube, remember the WhatsApp number. Don't call the WhatsApp number. You can call the 2707 number them here. Call the 707 number them, but don't call the WhatsApp number. The WhatsApp number not connect properly. Yeah. Missy Bram, big up yourself, man. Iron self-eat. Oh, weird. Oh, okay. Yeah. Gary Kedro, big up yourself. Missy Bram, large up. Fritz, big up, big respect and thing. Lincoln Walker, big up yourself. Right? Java, large up and thing. All right, people, hear that one here. Hear that one here now. So, this man and this woman here date, see? And she said, a thing I go on good. And she said, the man kind, so till and whatever, and thing like that. She said, the man was have to start pay for everything and whatever, and thing. And she said, you sure? And the man said, yeah, man, me take care of everything. And the man start pay for the something, them and thing and whatever, and pay all our bills them and whatever, and way. So she said, you know, she just anticipate, say, him go one look a chun and thing. But she say, yo, a good look a 6 week pass, and she say him not drive for her and him go out all the while. Nice places and thing and whatever. I don't know. She said she start pray a look at energy from him, a certain type of energy from him, you know. She said when it go up to 3 months and him not drive for her and whatever, she said she start to figure out where I go on and things. So one day them there dinner now, a nice dinner. Cause she said the man kind, caring and whatever, this and that. She knows him not a road, him just devoted to her. So one day, I don't know, the two of them there at one restaurant and things. So she said, the spirit just tell her, said, for ask him and done. So she said she just put on the fact and she said, okay, listen, you know, she 48. So she said, you know, but me, this game I for a while right now, and there's sometimes I know certain things and things, so we need to have a frank discussion and thing, all right? So I just need you to tell me, what is it? Too big or too small? And him said, what? She said, your instrument, is it too big or too small? And him said, like, but why that? So, and she said, no, the way you move, or it's usually one out of them things. There's either you're too big or you're too small. Which one is it? She said, pause, and him said, too small. She asked him, what size? And him said, 2 inches. Yeah. 2 inches. She said, it thick. Everything. And him said, it not thick. So she explained to him and said, you're a nice man and thing and whatever. And you're obviously cool and everything. And she said, but I'm going to be honest with you, this not going to work, yeah? Right? And I better we just face it from now. And thing, you know, she about her world for a while, and she used to her thing, and she said she have her resources and thing, and at this stage of her life and whatever, you know, she gonna need to get little fix up, and she say, you know, really did it and whatever, you know. And just after that, him say, okay, I appreciate that, I respect that. And then him says, so what happened now? Do I leave or are you going to leave? What do you want me to do? You want me to leave? And she said, no. You can't stay and finish the dinner. She said, I'll leave a pay for the dinner. And then him said, no, you don't have to do that and thing. And she said, no, mommy, pay for it and thing and whatever. And I said, no. And then him say, she say, him say something like, can you still be my friend or whatever? And then she said to him, say, I'm going to tell you something now as your friend. you know, for talk that way that to woman, don't beg woman to be your friend, even though, you know, you have your situation. She say, woman I like then something that she said, you know, I guess she had juggle with him as like you know, brother or whatever. I mean, I see, like, you know, she move like a sister to him now and thing, and she say, you do the best, you know, if you ask the question one different way and thing like that. They like it. I say, well, if you want to still be my friend, you can still be my friend, you know. So I better you put it that way than for say, can you still be my friend? She said, don't beg. And thing and whatever. And she said, them talk good and them have dinner, the rest of the dinner and thing, and them still talk and whatever. It's just that it's not that them know saying them not gonna have no relationship or go nowhere. People are walk around and thing and you know, them get up every day and them bathe and put on them clothes and them go road and thing. I have some people out there deal with them respective tribulations, you know, and you know, look, I don't know, I guess through no fault of his, I must have saw him born and whatever, and then, you know, so you have people out there, them have them little private burdens where them carry and challenges and thing, and, you know, my family first, Raga, me would have worked with it. And that you are say, in a year, the woman said 2 inches small, it not thick. But you gonna work? Well, I don't know what you mean by work with it, you know, but 2 inches? Two. Shouldn't use a finger and be a trouble on again. Right? 2 inches about. Yeah, 2 inches about. That's about 2 inches, right? That's probably too much. About 2 inches, that, you know. Latisha said she would have worked with it too. I find this interesting. Spiffy youths a lie them are telling I chat. But Latisha said she would have worked with it. My family first she should have worked with it. Lashara said, me did have one and I in belly make me come. What the? What? Lashari, you have to go explain that one day. No, Lashari, come. No, you have to go explain that one day for me. Me last right, that's a Lashari. What you mean I'm belly make you come? What you mean? Like, what you mean? Tracy, I don't know what is going on with TikTok. I just try to bring you up on it. It keep on. Susie said, if him nice, I would. No, I am. What, Red Rash, did I work with him? My friend Red Rash, did I work with him? All right, so like Lashara can't tell me what I go.
Good night.
Yeah. What you mean? Your belly make him come? What you mean?
No, me say Fem belly. Yes, Fem belly used to rub on it all the time. When him a try. He was a really nice guy, though, Raga. Take care of me. But every time we are try do it, I'm belly just a rub on it. Kind of have nothing.
So about how big it was, like about
round 2, and he did lick small, he never fat, thin.
Oh God!
But he carry me out, take care of me, and all of them something there.
And was he? What the woman explain is that anytime them so overly nice and kind, so and whatever, is either them body too big or too small.
He wanted really small. Me I tell about little finger settings.
Oh my God. Little finger, yeah.
And a young boy, no, at the time he was like 27. At the time.
I don't feel him fault that him born with.
Exactly, you know? But me did stay with him, you know, kind of nice.
No, seriously. Now tell me to help me to understand.
Raga, me carry me in the community, listen now. And he go give me money in the community. Disgrace me.
Liar.
Why disgrace me? And I with me landlady daughter. I make people know it's small.
When the 2-inch thin liquor body boy where
Yes.
you work with him and thing in Bonnie.
Yes. Me live downstairs and the landlady and her daughter and her other pitney them live upstairs. And him there with the daughter. And disgrace me and tell you me feel so me not feel no way about the bun, but me just shame.
But tell me something, how you find out about the bun? How you come to find out about the bun?
After they never did that hide.
Yeah.
And the lady will give me notice just because her daughter there with the man.
Jesus
I
Christ.
swear to God that me sit down here so me not tell no lie.
In Bonnie, I make you get through a tight place and get a
yes, the woman give me notice that she want to fix up the place because apparently she said she feel away because she can't tell her daughter what to do, so she did overseas. And she sent notice that she will fix up the place so if it come out. I swear me not tell a lie, Raga.
Hold on, so wait. First I back up a little bit. So when him do it and I try get in the little something, him have a little belly, right? Him belly did big already.
Yeah, man, he have belly.
So anytime him try push up and thing, your belly I rub up on your little something up there. So
yes, that make me come and kill him dead, him do something. Raga, sometimes you have to wonder, you remember Raga? Oh. Why baby this tight and this. So me I say, way I feel with this a 2-inch. But if you tell me so tight, then it's tight.
No, it look like a you set tight for you, you know. Because it miss a, no man, it look like a you.
Raga, when me used to tell my friend them, say, oh, this a man too, this a man have ball and that is something I need have not. Imagine if
no, sir, you have the vice grip coachy. You have the vice grip coachy.
Imagine if he have something. No, sir.
Yeah. So what the general say when him try put in a thing on the belly a rubber tacky got truth. You did all a rub it on the belly to just to catch a little
of course, then you know sweet. Raga, you want to put neighbor sweet outside neighbor and work.
When you say about the neighbor?
The neighbor push out a little side neighbor.
So you could have worked with the neighbor a little bit.
Every time we talk about it.
So you rub on the neighbor a little bit to sometime though and catch a little
of
vibe.
Course.
Jesus and peace.
Come every two.
Me never. What you mean? Wait. Big question. Hands up. Can I ask a question, please? Yeah, listen.
Who be one special?
No, me like it. They tell me something. Yeah, the $1 million question, I know. Which one I come them did better, body or navel?
Me not get nobody right. I get nobody right. I get navel and belly.
So nobody come here, did I get a belly, a navel belly come?
Me I tell her Raga, if I know navel and belly, bottom dog, that's no. Depends on how we
peace. I've never heard something like that before.
I swear to God. If anybody for the live and people will come around me, they know what I ever talk about it. I never met another man like that in all my life.
Damn.
And he hype in a Raga, have money and hype, have big house, how much car sitting in there.
I am just intrigued with. First of all, why you did work with him? Be honest. Why did it? What was it about?
Honestly, Raga, the very first day I see him, I said the boy a clean and look goody, man. And it's so happened that me go to a football match and he send somebody to me. And instantly, he started to take care of me. Because you know St. James type of man them. So I started taking...
St. James man them say, what?
The work when they do the work.
Oh, no say a word. We understand. Yeah.
So me tell her say, and then time them in young and leave out of my parish, gone up there, gonna work, So the young, nice, clean boy I look me, and he might take care of me and carry me out and give me be money and pick me up for work every evening in the market or something. Left him big house, go live in my one room with me or something. So you know what? Cause me never want to left my place, cause me not like live with man.
Right.
So me then at my place for me come rent now, and he did that, me not lie. It was nice at first. He did really nice.
Yeah.
So at that me and him go the extra little mile there. Me did quite a good while.
Oh. So him never do nothing for kind of supplement a little limitation. Him never do nothing else.
No, he never do nothing else because they claim so them a young boy and they not do them mess up there. And me put it to him in a rag and a war.
A war, the dog say him not do that.
He said not do it. So I say, alright, but me want to tell him say better you do it because you don't have nothing else.
Yeah, because if him can't face up to the matter, if you can't waste up to
but
the matter.
But he was a really nice guy, and me did like him before me and him even go down the road there.
Oh, you did.
Because he have nice personality and in physical appearance did nice too. And he never done struggle. He could have reason and them thing there. A bright boy.
Okay. So he had all these other qualities that were admirable, right?
Yeah. And he invested money and all of them something there. You understand? So he never did fool. Yeah.
Progressive and ambitious and thing and
Exactly.
waste the money.
So then they look at something they making can get any woman. Because he have nice traits.
So that's why the landlady daughter draw for him to and all these things.
Hey, and then me and the girl back sit down and said the girl go ahead with it too,
Oh, you and I never did that talk, though?
No, me and I never did that, friend.
And then you see how bad mind powerful, you and a friend and that motivator for grind where you look about the man.
Yeah, me now one. Me now one that we're really going up the store.
And him just start open. Yeah.
Me know she must have said what is.
Oh. Then so when she did take him over now, she did proud of him and thing because she must know what is what with him and thing. So she proud of him and all these things.
She hype on me.
Okay.
Yeah, hype on me, so she take my man, yeah.
Boy, bad mind is a thing, but you think of the money she did that job for, I true you and her never did that talk. What you think really motivated?
Me think about because she like money too,
She love money too, okay. Yeah, no. But you know what I say quite a few people, women are posting on the chat and I say, so them look about the man, they say them really hype for true. So them really hype.
No, it was really hype, may I tell you, he hype like when he go out places, he must be seen.
So what you think is a form of overcompensation or because or if you hype with tiny body, I mean I understand.
And he hype for one point me and him left and you see me places him go and him was swear and I stay him down and him. So me I say if me did even talk in this crowd I saw today.
Flap him sure career.
Shame like dog.
Yeah, Jano.
But Raga, me never come from up there. Me never want to do me nothing, so we keep me mouth shut.
Yeah, you don't know.
You know when they set me back in my place.
Yeah, you know, for them things set already, so.
Exactly, so me just humble and keep me mouth quiet, do me look a call center job. And me and him left and me move on.
Oh, Jano, that one there. I got no, but no.
I want to Raga, you see them the man there? They love hype. They're very hype.
And I say the lady them a post and I say I saw them look about the man the hype. Man, I get it though. If your body look a bit and thing, where you hype about?
You need to be humble.
Well, you know, I think it's a form of overcompensation. You know, them a make up for what them not have. You know, so them OD on the other areas. Them
man, they OD on the spending part.
Yeah, and the hype part, cause them a fair. project confidence and thing. In other words, them a project big dick energy for attract the woman them and so because the woman them not gonna work with them, you know, until them get in, right? So them have to have that thing that for attract the woman them first, you know, for the woman them reach a point where say, well, I don't like you already, so I gotta work with it, you know. So them have to give up that something there, them have to give up that.
I mean, I tell Raga, me never have to beg him nothing at first. He just send on, he just know saying fi send on and he must send on.
Right. You ever hear any woman talk about that yet? Say, oh, you know, anytime you see a man stay, so it's either him too big or him too small. You ever hear other woman say that? Or never, you never hear that yet?
No?
Okay, all right.
But I get to experience a man like that for myself. But pick up myself, Raga.
That's a word, man. Blessings,
Right,
man. Respect and honor, man. Cool, man. Yeah, man. Protection. Cool. Oops. People may nearly hang up your show again, you know, my bad. I look like TikTok a balance up them thing, you know, the thing them a come true. All right. Hello. 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 It look like me talk too soon. I'm good as we would say go jinx the thing though. Eh? It look like me talk too soon and go jinx the thing.
Good night.
Good night.
Wagwan, Mr. Bossy.
Day I know what it you know what you say.
My man, I listen to your story.
Man, what's going on? Talk to me.
You know how we are talk to, sir?
No.
1 alien penny up.
Well,
1 alien TikTok up.
Yeah, man, you have several other aliens, you know. We have other aliens over here too.
You follow me, sir?
Yeah, I follow enough people. I follow hundreds of people. I follow hundreds of people.
I'm going to see a text in the inbox, man. I read your message.
What did you say?
I'm going to read the whole light.
Which
cancer, I see him give me a follow.
You really?
You did a what? You did a what?
I was speaking on the cancer.
You were speaking on the cancer?
Yeah, about myself, about cancer.
I don't really recall, you know.
Oh, well, you give me a follow still.
Yeah, no, I tend to follow Jamaicans, you know. I tend to follow Jamaicans, you know?
Yeah.
Because when I follow Jamaicans, the algorithm noticed that I follow Jamaicans, and it the way social media work, whatever you follow, the elements of whatever you follow, it gives you more. So I deliberately follow Jamaicans because the algorithm is going to say, oh, you like Jamaicans, I'm going to show you more Jamaicans. So I do that.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that's why I do that, I think, you know.
But you usually over upon the radio station, do?
Yeah, back in the day in Jamaica, correct.
Right. So me I listen your friend them time there.
From the Oh, well on. You did send me a message one time?
Yeah, me did send you one message about my son. My son did do a little wait him there. And then they go viral on TikTok.
No, man, well on. You never send me one message saying me use something for you, so you asking me for a lion.
No, I'm my son. I him same one. And my son good at text you. Cause him that ask me if me know this man when he am Ragashanti. So him good at text you.
So wait, is him text me through your account and say me use something for him, so me must send a lion?
Yeah.
I never you send it.
No. Him ask me. because some people they reach out to me and tell me say for reach out to you because the way him did do go viral. Him did do something mackerel and rice.
Something
Best life.
So what so what him say me did use? Him say me did use the mackerel and rice something?
Me do mackerel and rice.
You do mackerel and rice and what you say me do with it? Me use it how? Eh?
Did I play the intro?
No, you did I play the intro.
The intro to what?
Mackerel and rice. When me say be you know one brother you must want me make a feed up on mackerel and rice.
But I don't remember using anything like that.
Nah, pick up.
I don't remember. Anybody know of me using?
Everybody I tell me for reach out to you.
Everybody I tell you for reach out to me?
Yeah, somebody that tell me say one time, but me not really follow it up, yeah. Them that say, through him they do mackerel. Baby girl, if you don't want me, you must want my brother them. Me can't feed, how you go?
Feed you up on mackerel and rice.
Feed you up on mackerel and rice. You live the best life.
Jamaica best.
Jamaica best.
Oh, okay. I don't remember doing that, so there might be a little mistake there, yeah?
I don't know what's about one time. I will papi. Me not really follow it up Raga. Cause a long time I listen to you. But when people that tell me say gone viral, reach out to Raga, me not really follow it up, my baby.
Okay. Yeah, because me just remember now the person said, but your picture me I look on and me the person say, you use so and so for me, so send me a lion.
I know so you talk to people now. That's not the way. Oh, you talk to people. If you are going to use my phone, you have to explain yourself and you have to talk to people with principle and manners.
I know so you mean. Me text.
All right. Go and big up yourself, man, and continue to do the good work where you do.
Big up yourself, Elaine, man, and blessings to you and your son. Here, enough respect and honor here.
Yeah, man, I mean, I stop listening, you know.
It goes some, man, and thanks for that, man. Love and blessings, man, all right?
Yeah, man, respect.
Proper.
You can't take me down, my baby.
Yeah, man.
I listen.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, well, you know, TikTok, you get a diversity of stuff and thing, and you know, so some of them, some of them are more interesting than others. But I generally don't, you know, if them have the little twist or an angle that is like, oh, okay, I don't respond. So I remember me get something and it say, you use me mackerel and rice sitting out something, you know, so send me a lion. You know, but is our son did I use our account and thing or whatever. I just didn't, you know, I just didn't respond, you know. It's not one of them things that, you know, but greetings.
Good evening.
Yeah, well, go on.
My name is Dominus Erectus Maximus. The lady
Zion train, about with the foolishness, you know, but whatever. But now you come and tell me about Erectus and them something and whatever. Yeah. Talk what you talk, man. You come here with your free good. Sandy Saladin, I chat, you know, Sandy Salad, a bad girl, you know, she will come kick with your foot, you know, I tell you that, you know. Don't farm fool around here. Okay, so Sandy Salad night chat there, okay.
I got shot for stay good like the lady there a while ago.
What I'm gonna?
The day I listen to what I go on.
You see it.
I said from a scientific point of view, if the lady there did a deal with that brother there with the mini instrument there, And Ima say she tight and a go on so with that little instrument there. That means
you need to know that woman there because she have the original tightness.
Yeah,
No,
so the lady there have to be protected at all costs.
Yeah, we need for like, corral her and have some bodyguard and thing and
That
whatever.
sound like some big drill up business and but seriously Raga think about it.
Yeah, she forget some queen treatment around here and all these things.
Brother.
Right. Because she said when the general and wind up in it and I said, boom, but my girl, I saw you tight. No, because Pee-wee can barely get in,
Yo,
I got.
Yo, me don't understand because if she for stay so and Ima say all of that, then Raga got no problem, man. Seriously, think about it.
Nah, man, it sound like if somebody else get a run or whatever, you have to beg God guidance to kind of open the gate for you and thing or whatever, you know? Because you know when you work with them something, so you have to kind of edge it and take time, work it in and patient and whatever. But it look like with all she and thing, you'd have to, I don't know, that they don't even like the usual formula not gonna work, because as she say, yo,
It's business and not gonna work for we because watch you now. Ladies say a lick of finger settings,
Yeah.
See him?
Damn.
And you're I'm not gonna say that. We're gonna say you're like a finger and an average finger, but I'm not gonna go over there so. What may I say to the average individual that
Well. What you just say now?
Realistically speaking, your hand no bigger than enough man hand. And that we are talking about. We are talking about the biology of the thing.
So hold on. I disrespect my little finger.
I'm not disrespect you. It's a compliment that if you look upon it.
No, what you say, my little finger no big like the average little finger out there.
Average little finger of of a black man. It's not still like your one.
Meaning what? My little finger is littler than the usual little finger.
Oh, your little finger seem to be larger than the average male. So may I say a little young boy like him will have them.
Hold on. Do you know the size of the average male's little finger?
The average. All right, let's use the local demographics. Jamaica. The average Jamaican male is about 5'11", 5'10".
Yeah.
So a man where that height at 5'10", when not really fat and have chubby finger. Right? Him have an average size body. Him finger don't go really look like your one, Raga. You know,
I am 6'2". So yeah, say at 6. Yeah.
My son is 6'2". And him have a muscular frame.
Yeah.
And him little finger bigger than my one. My little finger like the average male little finger. And if that little finger the settings they were beat almost sure say that she described a while ago. If Ima use that and a ball or she tight and a go on with himself and all of them things, then I what really I go on with her. That to the board.
But it sounds to me like you say you need to know that woman, yeah.
Well, let's get this done. Let's see where you go with this thing.
You say like, no, yeah, I said, no, B, we need to have a conversation. We need to meet quietly or something. We need to
talk. Just talk to Juice Media and Teddy Bear and the next bridging there when we see that the chat from the other day. But just speak on behalf of them man then, because you don't know the settings guy already in a Raga.
What?
Them ladies down a dime a dozen, brother.
Right. So what are you? You seem to be indirectly making a proposal. Care to just come out with it?
We just have to protect her at all costs. Come
well, she should be protected. She should be protected.
Yeah, because I start. my call with my dramatization and you run away and all of them things there.
No, because me have to be careful. You can't come back social media talk to big man and talk about erectus.
No, you'd say you never hear Dominus Maximus.
Yeah, but me not no come out with no.
Why?
Yeah.
Why? I know me should say that thing too.
Nah, me no want no damn max erectus. Me no want nothing to do with us and erect.
You want
right?
that we
Yeah.
don't want to talk about Domina minutus vaginosis.
And you know, say sometimes I can't manage it and train. Sometimes I can't manage it. You know, say, you're not right it now, my lad. You're not right it in my youth. Sometimes I can't manage it.
Yeah, let's say Ashini and Titus. Look here, but me tell you something.
No, she named, we call her a Titus. I call her Titisha.
So you have to put her in a different class, man.
No, because Titus is male.
Oh, you mean man?
No, the name Titus is just a male name, so we don't want no confusion.
No, one Raga. That's a Titus.
I may go with the pronunciation.
No, may I work with Tightus.
No, Titisha or Titus. That way the yeah.
I work with Titus.
Yeah, Titus. Yeah. She's a Titus. Yeah, yeah.
Big up Titisha. Go on.
You see it. It goes some man, see it. So I go on everything balance, otherwise everything plug in.
Yeah, I give thanks, man. The people and send me one time I done a bush motor. I go and mash up and like a 1 month course in a bush.
How are you there now? Montana?
That was I said dog a bush motor, geographically in the other direction.
What? Calgary?
Kentucky.
Oh, Kentucky. Can I tell you if I Calgary there, go look for Angie Melly and thing and see what I go and for over there.
Yeah, all of them send me go to Canada, I don't go them time of year. Them things on me here go to Canada. No,
yeah, no, Canada stay away right now with the cold and the snow and all them sitting there and thing and whatever, you know.
Yeah.
But see, Angie Melly said send him come. She said if you come, she said send him come.
I hope you have good place to put me in a Melly or a Angie.
Angie Melly, man. But
yeah.
No, if you got Angie Melly yard, you don't have to worry about good place to put it, because you got busy.
Yo, the term good place is relative in a Raga.
But no, but me I tell you, say, you know, I'm not going to worry about if the place good or not, because Angie says she have the good like that. So you're already you're in a fair good place.
Better than the lady there a while ago.
What?
That you know, better than the lady there a while ago.
No, that lady there on a different level. Angie in a fair league. Angie in a fair league. No, Angie in a fair league. You know, Titus a different thing. Titus a queen around here, whatever. You know, because you know, it's enough women that listen about one bad mind Titus right, you know. Right? Enough of them want bad mind Titus right, you know. And think Titus, big up yourself, you know. See, Al Dante probably want a bad mind Titus there. I don't know. Sandy Solid probably want bad mind Titus. When they leave Titus alone, that makes you live and blossom a foreign. Well, I assume she they are foreign. Yo, big up yourself, you know, Zion train. See it?
Go on your thing.
Go some man, maximum. Wait, I shouldn't say maximum, you know, but you know what?
You can't help yourself. Big up, brother.
Yeah, balance.
Hold on.
Jana, yeah. All right. So I go on here, so now. Oh. I can't even understand TikTok. Watch out. 10 million people in our chat now to write it. Hello? Hi. Saying Alicious, where I go on. People, the TikTok I go on with something, I mean, I don't know, I just juggle and see where I go on because. Greetings.
Night.
Good night, Raga.
Wagwan.
Well, Raga, me there this year show, you know. And here, this a gentleman at the pan the little finger thing.
Yeah.
Well, Raga, you have a story figure there.
Kick me in my nastiness with it. Just say now.
All right, so Raga.
Yeah.
Just left high school.
Yeah.
2008.
All right.
All right. Left country, you know. Gone I wanted a country. Gone work in a one bar. Cause me see a time
when you say country, you mean Jamaican way, like
yeah,
from
man,
one parish to another parish.
One other parish to another parish.
Right.
So me say, all right, no. So me say, me I go look one work. Anyway, me could get no work. It's only a bar work me couldn't get. It's all right. At least me know say 2 + 2 are 5, so me can go do the work.
See.
Me say, Raga, so me then at the bar 1 month now I eyes this nice tall gentleman. In both, me don't know the basketball man them height. Me don't know that about 6'5" or something like them there.
Yeah, 6'4" to 6'6" on average. 6'4" to 6'6", yeah. On average.
Right. But at 2 of them apart. One brown, one black. The brown one have on the wedding ring. The black one have on none. The brown one pretty. Alright. We just come from country, cock up and everything, you know. So me tell myself, say no, the brown one me want. Cause me done black. The brown one me want.
So you set good. When they say you cock up and thing, you're full of shape and set right.
Full of shape and thing.
Yeah, be a thing, yeah.
So I go and I see him over the bar and I do them things there when him play the pool. You know, me go around him and I grow on him, you know. And try to show up look a big body for him.
So, jeez.
So, yes. So, like 1 month and a half, no. Me see him start a giant. Me say, So, my one is so no for me.
Yes, man.
Raga, anyway. Me and he start talking, we exchange number now. And we start a deal. So me say to him, say, if you married? He say, yeah. So me say, all right, me go up on this side, you know. Me say,
I'm going to work with it, you know.
Yeah, me go and work with it. So it touched like on the 3rd month now. And he said to me, say, we are in feeling one night. Me and him feeling one night.
Yeah, that's
so me say, cool. If we do in a Raga, and the man look me in a bar, you know. All old man too, you know. Now pay them and they no mind, you know. I don't want me want.
I don't want that, yeah. The brown, brown man you want. Right. Brown man you want. Lanky brown.
Brown man me want. But every time him and the black one apart. So me always I wonder, why him and the black one apart? If me and him go the black one did it. Me I say something look stranger, brother. But anyway, one day now in text me like for me ask me which time I go off. Like the week I know bar run pan week on, week off. So me tell him say that week I go out. And me say, alright, remember me have my wife, you know, but me I go take one Saturday when she gone, like say market her them, you know, she not come back for whatever.
Yeah.
So like me live with my friend, you know. She gone her she do bar too, you know, but she go on pan the evening shift 2 o'clock. So me say to him, say, alright, come about 5. Raga, you think a man clean house when them have woman a come over?
Like you clean that house to Mr. Man and whatever. Oh, brown man a come over and you go put it up on a boy.
What you say?
Oh, you mean?
Oh, clean as because me say Raga, me not even remember. Hey, me no know when me not go clean, you know. Me not remember say I hurt in a ceiling, you know, cause the clean as bang and dress up, bed, everything. Me never change the sheet. I mean, know the thing I go and some the sheet for that.
Yeah, right, okay. So hold on. You do that special pre-sort out beard where woman do that extra beard there?
I like that one, man. But you see, during the time now, they start to play Cylindian. Next plane flight. Me not remember Cylindian. Them song them me go on with, you know.
Next plane out, you play Cylind. Jesus.
Yes, and Me I tell her say, Kenny Rogers reaching night, you know, come me I sing out backside, you know. That's what man.
Yeah.
Hey, that's what man come, you know.
Yes, man.
And anyways, everything done, Raga. Me no know if you cook good, you know. Me no know the rice and the bully beef cook good, you know, but I cook, you know.
Okay.
Then the time me just learn to cook, you know. Hey.
Yeah.
The man called and saying downstairs. So me run and pull the grill away me see the black one in the car. Me say, Father God say my come pan Aaron and the black one come too. Anyway, me say alright. Me let him in and me carry me in and brother, me sit down on the couch now. You know, say me na my look short, you know, then the time they pan the river used to wear, you know, me don't know if people still are wearing something there. So, pan the river, me have one look bazier. Anyway, he come in, and he sit down and he go on. So, me done in the mood already, you know, because me have me liquor them already, you know. So, me start make up my rum cream and me, where there is something taste bitter name again.
No, you drink. Go on, I get to the
Campari. So yeah, me mix up
Campari.
that, yeah. So me give man him sit down there, me start. So me, you know, me not even want to wake, me well in the eat, you know. Me start rub him down. Start to kiss him up and go on. So me say, no, take off your clothes. You soon take off your clothes. My spirit I say, something alright there, man. Anyway, I take off your clothes and stay in your underpants, man. Anyway, do it in the underpants. But so in the underpants now look right.
Yeah.
Because you say if you're tall, you like you. Something should have not peep in the underpants, man.
Yeah.
Something look right. Anyway, I kiss him up. And I go on with the things then. So when he done kiss him up, you know we are going at the mood and no one he put me up on the bed and blah blah blah. And the man go take down my underpants. Jesus, drink Savior me can mile.
Mighty God of Daniel.
If this was stand up, not even your little finger, it not can talk to.
Lie tell upon the man body. Lie tell upon the man body.
Every time I talk about it, because that not come out of my head. That was a sight to remember. But you think
you say if it stand up, it not bigger than even my little finger.
Not even your little finger. And I was shocked. I was shocked.
You were shocked. Shocked. Yeah, okay.
Because I'll be like, why this tall and some guy have this in front of him?
Yeah, like how, you know? Yeah. So what happened after that now?
Well, on the part when now get me. He said to me, say, so you alright. He said to me, say, so my friend come up here now? I said, so what you want your friend to come up here for? Make him come, man. So he put on Mackie underpants. He put on the underpants and he call up the other one and the other one come in. He stand up at the door. So me said to him, say, alright, me go make you just deal with my friend, yeah?
Alright.
I said, alright, cause me done in the eat already.
Right.
And me want some.
Right.
Raga, boy. You see when the black one take off your underpants?
Jesus. Our. Big ever something done.
Listen, man. Yeah. From I was born out of my mother womb.
Jesus God. Never seen nothing big
enter this world.
Right.
I have never seen something in my life that I want to pass it out. Me
foot them weak, me knee them weak. Well, you don't know me start to know. Me put on me bad girl saga. And I start take up the iron. And I take up the broomstick and I start beat the two of them with the iron. The house full up with just one clean it.
Well, you start beat them, you run them out of the place.
Oh yeah? What? Maybe them out of the house, you know?
What? You beat them out of your house, you beat out the two of them?
Then what me do with that big...
About how big it is, like it has like what length, like it has like what length?
Yes, Raga, a two and him have to use and lift it something, hold him something. I remember it vividly. And two and him use and hold it.
Two vividly, you remember vividly,
yes.
For hold.
Yes. That was in 2008. I now forgot the date.
Listen to me. Let me tell you something. We are man. We can't tell you this. Most man now hold them with two hands. Every man I hold them with one hand. So if him have him own a hood, him own a hood, and him have a hold him own a hood with two. Jesus Christ, a body come down here would I get, you know.
A body come down that, you know.
No, that would have make you live a war with your pancreas, a war with your kidney, a war with Jesus.
My body would have shut down. I can just come in the world, you know, just I know if you take look at something. Me no poor yet. Me no.
Yeah, you don't know if it Jesus God, but you know say a regular thing then go on with.
Where I got? I want to tell you, say, when me done war and fight them and mash up your house and me body dress everything when me set up nice and beautiful, I gotta fight them. Me have to end up to go buy back on my friend iron, buy back everything in the house and me mash up.
So when you did beat them and run them out and thing, them did I fight back or big good did I go like him and still take it from me?
Him just see that plead to me, man. But just
I said what? Just try.
Yeah, just try it. I say, are you crazy? Where that I go? They said me fix up back. I guess after I fix up back in the house, I just take one taxi and go in a Borg. Yes, a Borg, the bar did there. And I go back in a bar upstairs, you see. And I go back for the old man who did like me and for me never like. Jesus have mercy. The old man have seen things better than the brown pretty bumble clap boy.
Oh,
and the old man he was about in the 50s. Come in that look panic. You know, young used to say old man sitting scratch. So you know, but the way me did in it, I want something, man. Hey, I the top chef. Hey, you say by top shelf at the bar. Yeah, man. Me had that two drink up this, man. Tell them put that for me bed, me get paid.
So now what you shell out the old man? Which part you shell out the old? What?
The
man were in the 50s. You can't go a female and thing. I didn't go and good. I didn't go and good, don't.
Didn't go and good.
And about what size the old man? What size him?
Him have 1.7.
The man like 1.7. Yeah, that woman work with it. Woman, 6'7". And this 6'7". And my boy never hear me and say 6'7". Yeah, don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. If you're not a parent, you're not. Anybody who have son, them know what me talk about. Our kid, them know what me talk about. Don't worry about it. But anyway, so yeah, 7. No, so Mr. Man there about what you just say, man, like 110 or 112 inch or so, and it thick though. It thick.
Me just say about 112 that.
About 112, yeah, 112.
Yeah, 12 that.
And it did thick.
Jesus Christ, man. Come like them two before, board.
No, but if you have a wallet with them two and I want a piece of any man have a wall, any man have a wall him own a body with 2 and whatever. That guys don't do that. We just hold it with 1 hand and think in fact it's a manly thing for us hold your instrument with 1 hand. We don't.
Exactly.
It's nerdy and geek if you hold him with two hands. So if him, if you hold him on and hold with two hands and whatever, Jesus and peace, and you didn't get that and thing. You know, move up the whole of the furniture in the inside of you.
Me could even right now. Me could even have 3 picnics.
No, sir. No, sir, that would have mash up your cervix. That would have mash up your cervix, man, and whatever. So wait, as you see it and thing, you just getting a shock and thing, and your body, you probably get a light, your head get light and whatever. It's a good thing you stand up strong, you know.
Body shackled.
So the tall brown one are the good looking, what you call pretty one.
And the good looking one I'm married. I am married, and I wonder when wife at it because I'm the married one.
No, but you see what I go on, the two of them have a problem, man. Them have tried to work out something with them. The body too, the pretty one body too little bit, and the black one body too big. Each of them have problem with woman. So the two of them always a work out a little thing. So the pretty one catch the woman them, and the black one try to have the woman them in a position where them not turn back, because otherwise some that him not gonna get no woman either. And thing like that. Wow. Damn. That's just crazy. That's just crazy.
Man, I wonder when we got it because.
Well, so what you get old and thing, you kind of never wonder and say, you know, say, I wonder if we could have managed a body there right now.
No.
Huh?
No.
Me not at all.
You know, say fat people have, what you call it, with something lower,
lower womb,
yeah.
Yeah, so you think you couldn't manage it. So when I say like years later, because Taki got you, now you're like Taki take a rig now. Your body take a rig now, don't you? Can't boom off body now. You can't boom off body now.
Yeah, with the 7-inch and the 6-inch, yeah, me hungry that, my mash up that, I can't
mash up that, deal with that, don't you?
That one day when me see was a sight to see. It was that to come like, what you call it, David Lick Dongalayat, sir?
No, but hold on. You have some people, them go Subway and them are a foot long, but them only eat half. You couldn't, you think you know, could eh? Yeah. I know people them go Subway and them are a foot long, but them say I just half me go work with me.
I Mixup An Blenda
Oh God, boy. You know, woman, you want to see them, so you go through it, though, you know, you go through it. But just think about it, said a man that actually get some woman who do it and thing, and you know, hey, you have some woman, you know. You have some woman, you know, me know them, you know, from get to a Jamaica, you know. Them say them now back from no wood.
Well, God go with them, me.
God go with them, not you, no. Me not take that, and Jesus, man, look how you prepare and waste all the Celine Dion song, them man, and all.
Yes.
Well, look how you plan for me. Probably I'll shape up a chun and all this thing. I say I'm going to deal with him billions tonight. Watch me and boy tonight. When you're done with brown man, you're going to make him red and all these things. And then, oh, you mean, and then before you know it and thing, blacks just roll out with a tractor trailer body to rat it. Jeez and peace. So when you say blacks, I said, just cool no man and try it.
Yeah, and then him won't try to convince me like, remember say me young, you know, me still a thing, you know, so you call it about 18, 19. Me just start to do the word. And then you convince me to take something I never seen in my life yet. Me go river with Wally pa boy picnic and choke off in a river. Me never see no boy pitney with them there something. So when
with
me
them there
see
something,
what you do to me? You send me a shockwave.
When you look at 18, 19 year old self and thing and whatever, and it's a tornado, you start beat them with the broom and all these things.
Me say, my friend, she come and ask one to the iron. Me say, me buy back your iron. All the iron me I use, I beat them with the iron. Me say a big. No,
come
everything.
out.
No, anything in the house, so me could have grabbed me. I fi grab it.
Yeah.
So what? Me start. I think it start hold me down. What if you start hold me? No, so me start fight. And in my
So
house,
right away you make
two
them.
away live as a female. So you know, say we ever hide up with I speak. Cause me always hide up with I speak. You know, the near. You know. Yeah, man. We I speak and we big iron always the near.
Right.
So what? Me jaw for them, man. They say me
Yeah.
jaw for them. Yeah, man. Remember say me brown man that me say nobody lick him, you know. Kind of want probably go home. My woman ask him who clot him. Whether then they sitting there, you know. So yeah, man. So me see all the black one, fling all the iron, straight past him. Now him belly. I say, come out here. What?
Yeah.
Start war like a man.
Yeah, make blacks know so nobody thinks that them are gonna hold you down and take it and thing and whatever. You see.
Why it was I want to today, dear. Nah, forget. I will never forget that sport. Nah, forget.
I'm glad you survived that one day and thing because probably you know, they go take that uni even they talk to her right, you know, the way after your womb collapse.
After your womb, much less.
You see,
not even three beautiful picnic me could have picnic meditate that. The whole I'm me would have mash up.
Well, you say anyway, they take that you couldn't have your picnic them where you have after right now.
Could have picnic them. Could have picnic them, man.
And one day that are the womb turner, man. The womb turner and they make your womb collapse, you know?
Collapse, because not even doctor could have helped me. Because when they turn back the womb turn back. Because it didn't put all the damage.
The womb would have traumatized, you know?
What?
All right, now say a word, man. Respect for that one day. Your blessings and honor here. Yeah.
Blessings.
John, no ladies who go through it, you know, me I tell you, no for no go through some drama with the man. If you see when it's too small or it's too big, we're gonna make that be the mix up for the rest of the week, you know. Too small or too big, penis mix up for the rest of the week. Or any other mix up on that, man. Ladies, who know who they with man and know man and whatever. Who know what me I talk about. So who do enough to be man. Who know say when the man them on dead when you see man a pee and whatever, man hold them thing with one hand, right? Right? Me don't even know if any man even goes so and take it out with one hand and then hold it with the next hand. Nothing in that. Right, the same man where you take it out with, I see him one, you know, whatever. So, a one hand, and it's like a man thing, you know? Like you're you're a real man, you come and you take out your zip and take out your thing and, angry your business. So, for she said the man goes so boom no and take out your thing and be like, all right, come now, baby, lay down on your back, right? And if I was using two and I was sitting there and thing and whatever, you know, say, yeah, so the dog packing is an understatement and thing, you know, that hell of a fire was, you know, and big old tree that, you know, is a tractor trailer that, yeah, being for you know, for go through and look a regular door, you know. You understand? Anaconda, that I don't even anaconda, Dr. Mark, man. That's sitting the worst. That are sitting worse, man. You understand? That is like but oh you see, you know, me don't know. That is like trying to fly, you know, for land a plane in your living room, you know. That is like trying to bring a plane go through your front door and thing and whatever. Like seriously. Dead sure that dead, man. You understand? But that's weird though, cause you can see them have them little thing together, you know, like theme one too big, the other one too small, and the two of them are juggled together. Like, I what really are going on this so? I what really are going on this so? You understand? You know, like them get, I don't know, them get so relaxed and comfortable with each other that them are run them game and thing. Greetings, what go on?
Raga.
Whoa.
Raga.
One day are juggling, you know, what I say?
I want like a mix up for you, brother.
Blaze.
In the 80s, in about 89, I got 90.
Yeah.
I like a young police officer in Kingston there.
Mm.
You know, they beat and foot downtown Kingston.
Yeah, seeing, yeah.
And at that time, my brother in the hospital. So,
Seeing.
tell me, squad, I could take a walk, go down to the hospital.
Which one?
Check
KPH? Public?
KPH. Yeah.
Yeah, public. Yeah, public. Seeing.
I go down there and in a uniform and thing and feel brisk because you're young too, you know.
Mm.
The one like a young nurse that take care of my brother and me, I say, wow. I run off my mouth with her, I say, you know, take care of my brother, you know. Make sure I'm all right. Like in the evening, my brother show up me and say, yo, the pan base, you know, station with it, because I come from country, so I don't want to go home every night.
Mm-hmm.
So my daddy and brother call me and say, boy, nurse, someone I go crazy for you, you know. I say, eh?
Mm-hmm.
So put her on the phone there and the man say, well, what me I do this evening?
Sure.
So I don't really do nothing, you know. Because you know, I work back till the morning again.
Yeah.
So boy, I come pick you up, you know, and show you which part I live.
Proper. Yeah.
So boom. It's all right. Woman come. Washington Boulevard she live. Yeah,
Washington Boulevard. Washington Gardens up at the boulevard. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I go to her house and things. So by traveling out, I say, wait, so you're not married or nothing? Say, yes, she married, but the husband left for about 6 months now and not even look back. Now you hear nothing about him.
Okay.
I say, blood cleat. All right. Then still now I rush it thing and I did it and she say, now I was, you know, me I look at my watch and I say, boy, I had me go head back on the base, you know. She say, we are run go back on base and I pay a man up there and I work till the morning.
Also up to that time the way you did it the whole time, you never draft here?
No, me I play Sweet Boy still at the same time, you know.
Oh, you did want her or are you just behave yourself?
Me just humble and watch you ride.
Alright then, cool, yeah.
And but now she said, boy, you know, make no sense you rush back on the base tonight and you not work till the morning.
Yeah.
So I said, all right, boom. Did it and she said, you want to take a wash off and thing and did it and I decided to make a kill the night.
Yeah.
When I was, we did it again in a bedroom, you know, and I was. We did it and start make a work, boy, now 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock I was there.
Yeah.
A woman in a backers position, you know, brother.
Okay, she said in her backers and you send it up in her door. Yeah.
And she strong in a ragga, broad, you know, in front of me there. And the time the young boy slim, you know, and the young man thick.
Yeah.
And you know the position you stand up a ground and the young man kneel on the bed there.
Right on the edge of the bed. Yes, man.
Yeah, and
I read about it.
And the way the bed set there now, you know, the woman facing the door to the room and me face. We all look to the door to the room. I saw the room set up.
The two are face to the door. Yeah.
And we have the music up playing a ragga. Percy Sledge music when a man love a woman, you know.
When a man loves a woman, I just steal so.
I tell you, a green light. Green light in the room, you know.
Chorrated, yes, man.
And I go on and sweat, you know.
Yeah.
How me look, you just see do a fly up me in the bedroom, do a fly right up me, you know.
After 6 months.
Well, Raga, he coming like a next door neighbor. If I say look like some next door neighbor she have there, because that afterward me find out that still say, they'll call the man wherever I'm there. It's a man over here there, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
The man come in, Raga. And the man stand up in the doorway. So me frozen now and the man frozen. But the man get up in a backup position, see where you find.
That's the time you're in the same way when the two want to freeze. You up in the same way, though.
Well, we're frozen right up in there.
Oh, you mean up in there? And the man stand up at the doorway. So.
The man stand up at the door. But the man have something in their hand. Because of the light, I can't see how, but I have a piece of thing in their hand. Because it look like a stick or something. Something.
Yeah.
I was a Raga the man. I make like he want to come in. Because I'm come on the bed to come to my way, you know.
Yeah.
So when it's like a man out to make a move, I say, police!
Never come and say police. What you do?
Yeah, but the man still a proceed like you want coming up.
Yeah.
I mean, like Raga. Me have me look at something was 38.
Yeah.
And I know me I say it could be dangerous still. But there's a boom and beat off one over him head.
Well, your boss a shot too. Well, your boss a shot over him head.
About a fright that. Yes, out of fright that still, you know.
Out of fright that, cause you see me come with this stick figure boss you head and beat you, know.
I mean, there's a boom and beat one car in the wall, do you know?
And I want beat one over him head. So when the dog hear the shot blaze cross him head, him get wah.
Raga, me don't know when done. Me don't know when.
I mix up and blend that time.
And the shot beat over him, when him do him duck and splurt.
And he split off from the doorway.
Yeah.
You see after him runway. And with a blum and flip and light and look at a machete in a Raga.
Is that machete what him did have?
A machete man have in hand and a machete him drop it right there and run off.
But you know, say the man come for chop off your wood, dog.
Then chop me up, brother. I wouldn't dare so talk to you right now.
Jeez and peace, you know.
If me never did have look at something was, trust me.
I'm going to ask you a weird question, but nobody believes me. I go around the thing and and look out for. So when him did that come now and your boss you shot, your wood it still stiff? You know?
No, man. Not like that damage up a long time, man.
Yeah, wood dead long time, man.
Yeah, but he come and go.
Please, if I come and do it, your wood did be like, oh, shit, here we go. Okay. We in trouble now. We're in trouble now.
You can't open a room, you know, because you have to do it and if you come out, you know.
Yeah, them situation,
right away, I wonder what go up now.
Yeah. Why you have to give thanks, him never strap up, you know, and they have a machine and thing and they go peel off and start rinse pan you and that different thing, though.
But I just mash up me and the woman same place, though.
You see it. So the dog come around confident with the machete and you go and take out the 30th and you say police and him come like him come to chop you.
No, me never take it out. It depends on the side
never take it out. Depends on the side table. And you say police and him still a forward and come with the machete and thing.
So me take it up now.
Yeah, so you take it up and peel off one. Yeah. And the dog goes so and drop him machete and splurt and run with them.
Right.
So what Miss Lady I do them time there? When Miss Lady I do them time there?
I feel screaming to the pan, man.
Screaming to the man, I think. You see, you believe her when she's saying gone for 6 months. Not never go so, you know?
Yeah. I did believe her, man.
No, but me said, given what happened after, you think the man they gone for 6 months? The man never gone for no 6 months.
And it happened to Raga, because if some man gone, you know, but you know, wants the woman with no man see him, if somebody tell him, say, well, right there, him still want to come
6 months? 6 months?
6 months, she said. I maybe she exaggerate, I put here 6 months, but him probably gone for a while.
Yeah, nah, man, she carry you in there for, him never did for come home that night, then, you know.
No, he did it for true, man. He never looked like him did it for true.
Oh, okay, all right then. Okay.
Look like him gone for true, because you want now, them have one cousin there, like a big cousin about 18, 19.
Yeah.
And she have a set of twin where at the time was about 8, 9 years old.
Mm.
The cousin there like a babysitter. So the cousin in the next room with the youth them.
Mm-hmm.
So me and the cousin reason good and should I explain to me, say, true, the man gone for a long time, nobody know hear nothing from him.
And then here's a man a shell out him woman tune and thing and forward with the machete to come defend it. But him out there, he don't know him for left and come back and own up front. You know, after I help you, did I help him out, you know? No, that's why I say some of them man, them not really respect the work a man put in and thing and whatever, you know. Them need for sure some respect, man, and appreciate the service for the bonus.
You ever see some nurse woman with sex in the nurse dress, brother?
Yeah, we know. Yeah.
Cock up there.
Yeah.
And she kind of shortish.
What?
Yeah.
No, but them say, you know, see the bully batting out there, them say, boy, I know enough people are gonna cuss me right, you know. But I don't know if nurse get a bad name, you know, but they say the nurse them bad, you know, man. So you have to be careful how you circle with a nurse. You ever hear that out there yet? Say nurse, you know.
Yeah,
them say nurse, them say nurse. When them talk about the profession, woman profession will get the most bun. Them always have nurse up there, you know. Nurse always there top.
I never hear that.
You never hear that yet? Yeah, man. Them say nurse, you know, them always have nurse up top, man, for say, you know, the female, them have this thing about male profession will get the most bun, and female profession will get the most bun. And them say nurse, them ever get bun wicked, you know.
True.
Yeah.
But, you know,
so what?
After everything now, and me left, because I have to wait till daylight out properly, you know, to come out, because I say, and I come out of the house with my machine, and I don't know what I go out and do, see way.
Hold on. Big and see it. You are telling me, say, you stay in there the night after that?
But I'm not going to come out in the night, the Raga.
What you mean you're not going to come out, what?
And I come out the door in the night there. I have to come
Why?
back. No, man, nah.
Me not stay in there, you know.
3 o'clock a morning, me step out my machine.
Say, me not stay in there.
Well.
I know my base, right? I mean, bake when I find man him gone. You don't know where him gone, where him could have come back with.
And you don't know where you could have run in outside now.
No, but me have to take my risk and go outside. Me have bend up my face and go outside and stay low. Anything, me not stay. Well, on. You sleep, you drop asleep in there.
After I'm going to talk about sleeping, man. I couldn't sleep again.
Oh.
Couldn't sleep.
Me ain't stay in there, man. Me ain't stay in there, you know. Me I put on my clothes right away, you know, and things like that, you know. Me not give him no time to go recuperate out there. Me not give him no time to go run, go call nobody and all them something there. And this and that. Me a splurge from right there. So right, quick. Me not give him no time to go organize himself and go come back with me with a tongue with a man.
Anyway, that morning me come out and out the clearance. I grab a on the roadway there, I head for town.
You say, all a bus.
Yeah. Not them tired, man.
Yeah.
I call the woman and the woman show me, say, boy, man, get in touch with her and say, oh, I done me completely done, you know. The man say nothing, me pity them, him and take care of her again, you know. Because no man, a policeman can kill him. He say, tell the woman say nothing, me pity them, and come back and look for her blood.
Weird. Hold on, you know. So, you didn't knock it after that?
Yeah, man. I reckon back after that. But yeah, am I zone now, I'm go back on the end.
Oh, you bring it on your base. You bring it on your base.
Yeah, well,
so why you bless her up like what? More than one time to a regular
thing? More than one time, but yeah, why me and her never get further than that. She's jealous, bad.
Oh, we can't take them when they're jealous.
I'm go call to my squad them female one them where up on the road at work and stop for a little reason. And I say I'm squad them, I batchmate them and thing, and the man a puff up and huff up and so I say, "Cha, I don't want this nurse man to give me bad injection and me sleep up like with the jealousy where she roll out."
Oh no, I can't take them when them have that jealousy something there. I can't take them, you know. Too much stress, you know.
I mean, I take them and ease her up.
Okay, cool. So how long you and I juggle for?
Well, about 6-7 months or so.
Okay. And I sort out the tunnel?
Yes, man. No, like.
Okay.
Yes, man.
She have that something there.
And that's why I still continue going on. I just jealous of that. And she nice, otherwise, you know, the jealousy me couldn't manage.
Yeah, me understand. Trust me, I understand that something. Me can't take a jealous thing too. Jealous thing, annoying, who stressful, yo, and thing and whatever. So if it was easy off and thing. And them time the man I do road and things, so you had options.
Yes.
See there, mad. Well, you survive that one day and things. So, hey dog, you know, say art in a theme mount and thing when they run out there when the shop bus over.
Yeah, man.
You know when he run and he reach, he was say, Papa Jesus, look how I could have dead, man. Look how I could have dead. Look how this girl and the man come kill me and whatever this and that. Tell him have to understand, say, if you have bust shot in him woman, him for easy and humble himself because you may have to bust a different shot in him. I'm just saying.
It have me head away still.
No, she did have your head away. And then you end up a female head away. And then you have your own head away.
Hey, if when reach back from base and I show them where we going.
Yeah.
I'm out the man in my mouth. Me just stand up and sweat behind the man when I tell the man about police.
Yeah, that shit was funny. And then you position up in the man, woman, and she the back of the two on her face, do and the dog come and the dog come here about police. Where are police? You know, say police in your woman. Where are fall back? He's back my youth. You know, police in this.
I tell you. Well, every time I remember it, I have to laugh, you know.
No, John, I want to connect.
And every time I remember it, I have to laugh.
Yeah, I want to connect with G. I want to connect. All right, now say a word, you know. Blessings and respect. It goes some man, all right? Respect, man. Cool, yeah. John, well, on the rum punch.
Yes.
Somebody else want to know say if you're PNP rum punch. They must say if
straight PNP, man.
Are you Sandy? You know? I don't know if you know Sandy Solid. You know she a straight PNP. You know, nah, but she know you. Yeah, she know you, man.
Yeah, man.
Sandy Solid, that's it.
Myself, man.
Yeah, man. Solid. Your link. Your PNP link solid. All right, now say a word here. Respect and honor, Papa. See
all right, my brother, respect. Cool.
Yeah, man, cool. Yeah, no. That's why I tell you, you know, when I think him do right, you know, him keep a machine near him and thing, you see it? Yeah, when you're born a man and thing, you know, it kind of risky when you're out there and you're working and help out the people, them, and this, right? Sometimes the people, them, not grateful for your help. Right? I'm just saying, if you're born a man, you're out there work and you help out a situation, sometimes the people, them, not grateful for your help, you see? Hello,
Raga.
Wagwan.
Wagwan, the first time for your program, but me always listen to you with that work, so me have to talk quiet.
All right, brap, say
now. One little mix-up figure in a long still, but every time I remember, you know, Raga, me read that Psalms 27, you know.
Listen to me now, man. All right.
Sure.
Yeah.
We that one policeman, long time, them we in my 60s, so me I talk about 40 years ago.
Yeah.
Proper man, you know, when me say man, what them transfer him for 1 month and go one next parish.
Yeah.
So me I tell you, say, Raga, now, you remember Brings, when Brings did a go on?
Yeah, man.
Well, Brings man did like me half still, you know. So me say, all right then, transfer my man gone. I want Valentine night, you know.
Yeah.
And in car money come which part me live.
Sure.
So they say, all right, we fix up and do shop now and we go out in a red and white. And then we come back home. I rather me I tell you, say, you know.
A piece of shellings put on
down. Shell it, you know, kind of better than the man.
The Brinksman did better than your policeman, And I said, wait, so the Brinksman deal with it billions, no?
Hey, man, me I tell you that proper something. So we go on, we done. We drop asleep.
Yeah.
When we wake up at the morning, Raga, me I look for the house did grill up, you know. The grill lock and everything.
Yeah.
Me I look for the key, you know, Raga can't find the key if you open the grill.
Yeah.
Me I look and me 3 trace and I look. Tell me where the key there, Raga. He in the door outside. I two gunman me I deal with, you know. The key for the grill outside of the door, so me just slam the door and come in, and me not take out the key.
Oh.
So you know, say if policeman will come in, could I take one piece of tick and take out the key?
Me understand what you say. Me understand. So you think you lock the door and thing, but the key outside.
The
so
key outside, although the grill did lock.
Not true, you're young and have body on your mind. You forget to take out the key. Yeah, man. Excited for the Brinksman body and thing. And when them unlock door and thing, go see a fling off clothes and I get busy and thing and forget. So I don't even know where
at the same time.
Yeah, and thing and whatever. It's a good thing. Mr. Man never forward, though.
The policeman jealous, you know?
But only not easy. You have a policeman and you know the policeman jealous and thing and you about him.
But
He make it bad, so. Make it bad, so. Make it bad.
He got out of town, Raga.
He got out of town, though.
He got out of town and he never did come back and then he did one big riot which part in the gun. So he never come back. I mean, no say never did come back.
So when Rat Gun Post take charge, Joe Grind come in and deal with it and thing like that.
Raga, every time I remember the story there.
So hold on, Brinksman, they know say you're there with the policeman, though.
Brinksman know, yes, but Brinksman just can't Brinksman like me first.
Can't Brinksman they like you first.
Yeah, but
why me tell you that man? Go on.
Brinksman say, nah man, policeman have you willing can. I just tell me when he out of town.
Hey, Jamaica man, easy. You know, so I don't play them game then when me there road and I don't join them some of them, you know. No, sir, I don't join them some of them, man. Me nah know say, first of all, me I go sub woman or whatever, and a woman say, no, me there with a policeman and thing, you know. Me just, why do it if you don't need to, you know? I don't even know if to do with coward thing or whatever. It's just like, John, no, I'm brave, man.
But me at the 2 hours, we did sleep and I listening now.
That foolishness you chat about to not sleep and listen. Damn foolishness about to not sleep and listen. That is damn foolishness because him go load this so. Him can't know say you there with a policeman, right? Even if the man gone for a month, right? And him go there so and shell you out in the man yard where the man live with you and him. And then go jump asleep after in a bed. That's some man dead. You must say mad and thing like that. That ain't happen. First of all, me and your shell and whatever, my pants are there, my uncle see him with. My pants are there, my uncle. Not care what position we in.
I did free me house, you know, free me house. So it
no matter, boy, you did still live there with policeman, and that's how it go.
Yeah.
Me ain't not take that chance, mama. Me ain't not take that chance at all, auntie.
Every time I remember me reach Psalm 27, because me see my life done before me.
Yeah, Psalm 27 go. So the first two.
Oh, you go again. I look to the hills from when come at my help.
Come at my help coming from the Lord. All right, big up yourself, your blessings.
Thanks, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I'm in love how you camouflage up your voice.
You know, we have to attack stuff. We have to attack stuff. Can we like, what do I know a supervisor come? Can we the night shift?
All right, me understand. Big up yourself, your putos.
Yeah, man.
Love and blessing, man. Yeah, man. Cool. All right. Right, to all the bonner man them out there now, listen to me I know. Right? Me not tell you no one enough to do, but again, as a seasoned bonner man in the thing, right? Me have years of experience in this thing, right? Me not a bonner man anymore, so that's what I know. But as somebody who did take him bonner man career very serious, and I want to listen to me right, you know. You see, nowadays, first of all, I would suggest that on avoid get caught up in other hype. They're like, oh, I'm gonna juke the man and woman, you know, I'm gonna jump up in other man and woman belly and thing and whatever. I would suggest that is not good bonner man discipline. That is not good bonner man discipline. Do not derive joy from, you know, a sex of a woman who too you know say she have a man or whatever, or if the man, you know, the man is a prominent man or whatever, and I found him to get caught up in other things. Oh, I me a joke the DJ woman, you know, me a joke the politician woman, you know, me a joke the pastor woman. My suggestion is, you know, don't get caught up in that. And if you find yourself I go deal with a certain thing or whatever, you know, say, she live with her man or her man, they are the yard all the while. Don't go to the yard. Carry her somewhere else. Do not go to the yard. And for whatever it's worth, have some respect to man. If you have a woman a shell and whatever, and this and that, and you know, so she live with her man in her place and thing. If you tell her, I say, no, you know, so I don't know him and thing, I want you. I want you. I want jump up in your belly, I want wind up in you, but when I do it in your bed, don't disrespect the man them way. They come here carry something. You understand? Have that discipline, the man. Right? When if you have some kind of, when if you born with respect, man. So as a born man, know if you do that, you know, if you all have that something that's a be, don't do that, man. No, your man. You gotta do a thing, you know, but don't do that. Not bring the man going in bed where you and your man, husband sleep, or you and your, you know, don't do that. Yeah, that if you tell a woman, right? And if she go on and whatever, you are on the show. Are you for man up right this and say, don't do that, B. Don't do that. I want you. Yeah, I'm going to cock you up all about and thing and send and curl you up and thing. Not in the bed where you sleep with your husband or your man or whatever. Right? You understand what I'm saying? And the other element of that is nowadays that not safe. That not safe. I true uno not see the video them, you know. People are true uno not see the video them. There's crazy videos from all over the world. Me don't know why I'm most of the Spanish people them. Again, I don't know why it's most of the Spanish country them, but I have access to those videos. Me know if I access them video there. A whole heap of video with man a come home and catch a woman a bun and light them up, you know, man. Light them up, man. Light them up, man. Is a thing where going out there enough, you know. Yeah, man a catch bun a man with him woman, man, and analyze them, man. Full them up a can. All over the world. But for some reason, the Latino country, them, it happen mostly of them. When I say Latino, I mean Spanish speaking a lot. Like Brazil is notorious for that. They speak Portuguese. Right? But enough of that are going, man. Enough of that are going. So, right now, I'm telling myself, if you don't want to safety right now, you're a woman or whatever, and this and shit about come on me yard. I don't even too follow what them I say to one thing. Read the play and just say, you know, so that woman that must have man a time peddler and whatever. And thing like that. And govern on a thing. You understand? Nowadays, in the place around mucky out there right now, I'm telling you. I think, yeah, so if you're not gonna be a boner man and thing, you know, exercise the appropriate precautions, okay? Right? I'm saying, okay? And if you teach a woman to say, yo, we're gonna do this, but we're gonna do this with some respect. We're not gonna wet up a bed where a man is sleeping. You can't imagine anything or whatever. And then even if you not go do something like that, how wanna do a drop asleep? How wanna do a drop asleep? You know, say the woman have a man and you're there and you gone full gone at the man place. And after you're done, you're gonna drop asleep in a place. You're an idiot. You're not scout. You're scout. You're not soldier. You understand what I say? I idiot thing that, man. All right, what you right? One-handed. Wait there.
Raga.
Well, Titus, are you this?
Raga.
Titus, are you this? you can't turn the laugh, you see you get new name. Eh? That's everything about Mr. Bowelan. No Titus, this a call over. I'm poor you don't even know your name yet and think or whatever.
But no, me a trouble, Raga. Me know that. Raga, come. Me as the policeman come up and say, boss one over the man, I come after police now. He did have a mother-in-law, right?
Yeah.
She was a post missus.
Yeah.
While she there work, she have this lady that do some cleaning work for her. Her husband was a DC. Right?
District constable, right.
Right. So when she there work, he might help out himself with the helper.
With the help.
Yeah.
When your mother-in-law
wife,
there work, the DC I
Right.
shell out the helper. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know.
So it's like, let me tell you how bad the police them being now, you know. You see, when them have to move from point A to point B,
Yeah.
them love start a family in every parishes, you know.
Really?
Yeah, them good like that, man. So sweet a joke now. Back in the days, remember, you have to go to the post office to register a child.
Oh, really? Oh, I didn't know that. Okay,
Yeah. When the lady pregnant now, remember what? She work with wifey, you know. Wifey try to be a nice boss. Buy this, buy that. Never know said the lady pregnant for her husband.
Oh.
Yeah, so when she go now for register the baby now, she asks, where's the father? She say, she don't know. So you mean say, she say, oh, you mean say you don't know?
Well, so to be clear, the woman husband breed the helper.
Yes.
And then
which is my ex-mother-in-law then.
Ex-mother-in-law. And when the wife now, sister help her breed, she help her out and thing and not, you know, and not treat her good and them thing, they not take care of her and all, buy baby clothes and chemise and all, and sit in the fear and them. So, and all this time, the helper, they take all of the help from the wife and without telling the wife, her husband breed her.
Right.
Jesus.
So she say she don't know. So while the baby is there, grow. One of the wife son say, Mommy, why you not see Marcia look like we?
But mommy, you know, she said, Marcia, look a baby that look like we.
So true country people them now in a raga here post missus. Cause the little boy do it in the public. Tabinez, you chat too much.
Yeah.
So the little boy keep himself still.
Yeah.
So here's sweeter joke now. The man did have a family first before he meet the post missus. Saint Elizabeth, because him come from Kingston Spring, you know. But because of the police work, you know, them rotate them. So the man married him, correct name is Amos. Remember bigger me that, you know. You see when him dead, and them try to gather up all of the pitney them when him get.
Yeah.
A two wife in the funeral in a raga.
Jesus and peace.
The last wife named Thompson.
Hold on. The last wife, your last name is Thompson?
Yeah, he give the first wife him correct name and him not divorced, you know. And him left that the woman there, cause them put him in our next parish.
For next parish?
Yeah, so every parish him going and him start something. So at the last stop that fee, you know. So he married to the post missus as Thompson.
So all the while when him a DC, she never have no, I mean, we have to see him real name, say Amos and things, she never ever get to see that or nothing, though.
No, and when him dead, everything dig up, them go where him come from, and I saw them find out the correct name. So all the children them when get with the last wife have this Thompson name, while the correct one them when get in our Saint Elizabeth have him correct name. So police dangerous in a raga.
No, but what I do, you miss out something out I mix up, you know. You know, tell me when the wife find out say him a the father if he pick me.
No, listen. You know, listen. Me say the first wife.
No, me get that, you know. Me say when the postmistress wife did find out say inbreed our helper.
I tell him shut down the little boy because guess what? She shame.
Oh, so she did find out before that, obviously, right?
To me, she surmise it because the child grew.
And she see it.
Yeah, but she just want a confirmation, right? From the horse mouth.
So she did keep the helper there with the child?
She could keep a disgrace that Raga. Remember, she had JP too, you know.
Oh, so she did let go the helper then with Fiat, with
yeah,
Marcia,
she did
the
have
little
to
baby
let
girl.
her.
Okay,
A matter of fact, she let go herself, even before she could have said that.
Oh, the helper let go herself and leave with the picnic.
Yeah, after all of that, she never come back. But the biggest disgrace of all, 2 wives in the funeral.
In the funeral and thing. But you know that is not uncommon in Jamaica though, unfortunately. You know that, right? You know that them sitting there at my door.
Yeah, I know.
But you say you think it's something special, it's something quite, you know, you think the police, I saw that the police in time?
Majority of them, man. I saw them go on with them things.
Majority?
Yeah.
See, somebody post verbal expression and said, my father was a police, 10 kids, 8 baby mother, Lord.
Okay.
Jesus, Lord, Jesus. Dirty police officers, you know. Oh my God. Anyway, big up yourself, you know, Titus.
Okay.
You know, one Zion train call and I said, we need to protect you.
Protect me.
All right, that's our word.
Right,
You're
cool.
big up yourself, man. Yeah, man, cool.
Yeah.
Cool. John, Jeremiah's 2 wife a funeral, no divorce, yeah, whatever. Sexy Blondie, my father get 53. You're lying. You're lying. A 53 picnic your father? 53? For how many baby mother? How many? Somebody said someone must jacket. For how many baby mother? You have any idea how many baby mother? For 27 baby mother. How would a man did that take? 53 picnic for 27 baby mother. How would that man did that take? My dad was a police for nearly 50 years with 9 kids and 7 baby mother. Jesus and peace. Del Marine father then called him Jacket, you know. So Del Marine said Jacket did a go on good with 18. You see, say film 18 was nothing, yeah? Yeah, Jacket 18 was nothing. You talk about 53 and them and 90. Well, yo, and when a man did that take, yo? Under the Medina. And be a sitting down. Let's see on I've grown.
Okay. Thank you.
It's a mix-up. Dr. Mkwagwan.
Rocket. Oh, I'm getting. I don't want to take no box. Hold on.
You never did want to come up?
That's what I'm telling her. I said I cannot do that.
All right, then never take you down here.
Hi, good evening. I'm calling for my patient in room 230. The patient left the floor at 4:30. The patient never returned.
All right, I'm going to take you down here, Dr. Ma. Huh?
So do I take the patient out because I need a room?
Batteries.
Okay, all right, thank you.
For
all right,
6 windows.
All right,
and you have
thank you.
eight window too?
It's so busy up here today, like crazy.
No. That's those.
All right.
Joel,
Dr.
how many more admission we having? I have 21 on the monitor right now.
I don't have 21.
No.
I think Dr. Mac is a little busy right now, okay? All right.
Who that? No.
What you mean no? What kind of no? Say yes. Say yes. Marie, you're still dead, you know, Marie. Right? You know what I'm talking, but you're still dead. You just mute your mic and you're still dead. We are see you. We are look for you right now, Marie. Marie, we're seeing you. Come back on and say hello and stop being rude. Marie, I can't believe you're being so rude. Marie, look how you hold up the show. Just say hello now and then make we hang up and thing. Just say hello, man, Marie. Come, man. Marie, I want to have a Ragashanti not there. You know what you said? Make me run the thing here. Marie, I see you come back now. Marie, what's up?
I don't know how I get on.
I know. It happens, darling.
I didn't touch nothing. I don't know how I got on.
I know.
I'm sorry.
It happened.
I'm sorry.
No, that's okay. I'm about to take you down, but I'm just saying
Thank
it
you.
happens at times. By accident.
I didn't touch nothing. I just come up.
No, it wasn't done. It wasn't done deliberately. It wasn't done. It just said something touched the phone or your finger touched it and thing, and the request came up. Okay.
Sorry
all right. So
about that. Yeah.
No, that's okay. All is well.
Okay.
Yeah. Blessings, man. I'm about to take you down here. And
Thank
you for coming. Thank you for coming and gracing us with your beautiful voice. Okay.
I am so sorry.
You have nothing to be sorry for, darling.
All right,
Okay.
Roger.
It's a pleasure.
Okay,
it's
take
a
me
pleasure
down.
to be sonically, appeased with your voice and thing.
Yeah, it's my first time too. Thank you.
Oh, it's your first time?
Yeah, never done this. I don't know how this happened.
No. I don't mean to be rude, but men love to hear that when a woman says, it's my first time. It's my first time. I've never done this. So I'm honored to know that I was your first in this particular exercise. Big up yourself here, darling.
Okay. Thank
you're
you.
most welcome.
All
you
right,
take care.
bye.
Cool. All right. Yeah, so for the record, okay. When nobody go around the thing and try to beat me with regards to this, and Marie, it's her first time, and her first time was with me. All right? Tickle my fancy. I'm honored. Now leave the people them alone here. Leave the people them alone, right? Them pronounce my name any which way they want to pronounce my name. Low people them. Carolee, what I'm going? Everything good, boo? My people, a Lego time for me right now. Somebody said good night, first time here. People may have to Lego right now here. I don't want to feel no way and thing, and I see me going overtime and thing, and I have to Lego right now. Straight blessings and things, see? Shanae says, Jano. People do remember, I want to come join my online community over TamFam Big Yard, join my online community. Go to tamfamyard.com and join. All I want to know, if you're over YouTube, subscribe to the channel right now. If you're there on TikTok, follow me right now. Right? If you're there on TikTok, follow me right now. And please go over to tamfamyard.com and join my community. It named Big Yard. tamfamyard.com, tamfamyard.com, and join my community. Okay? All right? Nah, man, it's Princess D. Nah, man, we need to figure this thing out like quick, okay? tamfamyard.com, and join my community. It's a fun community. You can meet great people over there, wonderful people and thing. Everything is everything. and things, seeing us forward. And yeah, man, Cheryl, big up yourself. CBS thing, seeing charm, sweetness, love and blessings and protection, strength and protection, charm, sweetness and thing. All right, stay strong, boo boo. And once enough respect to all of my SDC people and my spray them crew. Mango, big up yourself, you know, Mango, you make a link to them and whatever. People, Mango is doing great. Mango is doing awesome. Mango is doing good. All right. And people who are subscribed to me over here at TikTok, and also if you're a super fan here, and also if you're a member over YouTube and thing, if you know, like Missy Bram Bram is a subscriber over Big Yard, but Missy said, no, I want to keep my YouTube membership, you know. So, you know, do what works for you. But if you're a member over YouTube right now, and or if you are a super fan over here in TikTok, or you are a subscriber over here in TikTok, I'm inviting you to subscribe over Big Yard instead, because when you subscribe over Big Yard, you're getting everything that you're getting for what you pay for now, plus a lot more and things. So I'm inviting you to not only be a member of Big Yard, but to also be a subscriber. So you would end your subscription over here and thing, and just like start subscribing over Big Yard, okay? Blessed, yeah, some people say no, them still I keep them YouTube. So I understand them YouTube membership and thing. That's all good, okay? Right, but I'm inviting you to become a subscriber over Big Yard. But remember, you can become a member free over Big Yard, right? As well as you can become a subscriber, okay? All right, and again, it's tamfamyard.com, tamfamyard.com, tamfamyard.com. CBS, I love the whole of them. All right, big up on yourself, people. Straight blessings and protection and thing and whatever. See, love and honor. Oh, I juiced today, you know, so I juice, you know, I got juicers, and I juice blackberries, raspberry, and strawberry today. So I got a bunch of them there, whatever. So I think I might drink one more now, or just chill, you know. Masha, good as big up yourself. Good night, good night, good night. And do remember that I'm here from 6 until 9, or little after 6. Supposed to be till 9, it's after 10 now. I think Mondays to Thursdays, okay? Dante Antonia, you made granola and jam today. Now that is interesting. The question is, does it taste good? Does it taste good? Dante, are you good at it? Barry Blend, Shanae, you're quite right. Miss K, big up yourself, all right. Michael Kelly, protection, blessing. Dante say absolutely. Angie Melly, all right. Angie Melly, big up yourself. I want to say enough respect to you, straight blessing to you and your 17 vibrators and dildo that you own and thing. Angie Melly, big up yourself, you and your 17 vibrators and dildo up there in Calgary, Canada. I wish you all the best, you and your Kumbolo and thing, straight blessing and thing, all right. Sexy shirt. Good night. Mama ants and Papa ants, big up on yourself and things. See? Carib girl said, which one me buy? Me not buying none of them something there. But I am on record to say using toys is fun when you do the things them, okay? Don't make nobody fool you and whatever. You use your little toys, and when you're done, you know, or you tell your lady what she must do with the toy, and when you're done, you fling the toy one side and get busy. All right? Yeah. Y'all need to try something. Integrate some toy. Incorporate some kind of toy, you know, on a thing and whatever. With you and your husband, and your wife, and your gentleman, and your lady and thing. Enjoy your lives, gentle people, okay? Enjoy your lives. Be creative. Be imaginative, right? Be playful. Be fun. You know, do the things them, all right? And nobody not to know your business. And if you have somebody who freaky with you, and your friend them ask you if the person freaky with you, protect the person who freaky with you. Don't go tell them nothing what them do, right? Keep it a secret. Hold it down. I said, no, him don't, no, him not do them something, you know. And a film thing that. No, she not do them something that no fear thing that. All right? Protect your partner. Don't go fly your mouth and go and chat when you know for chat because you're too hype. Right? If you get some high level freakiness and whatever, give thanks for how fortunate you are. And nobody go tell nobody. And try, you know, say if you have a top freak, I give you like crazy pleasure and anything, telling your friends, you rub butter puss mouth. You rub butter puss mouth because your friend are going to want something and thing and whatever and start screeching and go take your man here. You understand what I say? All right then, go easy. Anyway, blessings and respect. See you in tomorrow's cool. All right. You know, so we need to talk about this thing at tomorrow. The amount of people them were dead when them gone to plastic surgery. Tamala Ray McKinney, another heartbreaking story. Regina Brumley Carr, 45, a mother and teacher, underwent multiple cosmetic enhancement surgery, including a tummy tuck, fat transfer, and liposuction, and dropout and dead. People, them not load it up, but it happen out there, people are dead. You see the model, what the model name was she, young girl, young influencer model, what's she name again? She drop out what the year to forgot what she name. Me did have that in here so somewhere, and thing or whatever. She just drop out what the year to. Gone. She do surgery and let me tell you what she name. Me tell no, she that going on there. Bianca Diaz, dead at 27 after plastic surgery. People, me not telling them for living a life, whatever, but especially the BBL one. Yeah, especially the BBN one, or that one there. Me don't know how they work, but that one there, from when I read and thing, that one there cause all of the post-surgery infections that result in fatalities and things. People, y'all just be careful. I'm not telling them for living a life and whatever, but, them things they are going out there and things. Be careful, okay? If you're not going to do it, not do it. And if you're not going to do it with somebody reputable and thing, right? And it sounds to me like it's one of them things. They're like, if you're going to do it, if you don't have the money, if you do it, don't do it. But if you're going to do it, get the money and pay for it done the right way. That's not something where you go for the cheap version, I would think. That is not something where you get so desperate you're going to use the cheap, discounted, bargain basement, unqualified people in do something invasive to your body. That is not one of them places the way you go. Yeah, most of the deaths them happen in DR. Right? And no, I'm telling you, I just read it from when we did a read, I wonder with that lady there, and I say like, for whatever reason, a lot of the deaths from plastic surgery, they're occurring in the Dominican Republic. I don't know if that is a consequence that there's so many being done there that even the regular percentage just really results in a lot because of the amount being done there. Or if it's a case where that is where it's like a clearinghouse to do it. So you have a bunch of people out there who are hustling and really don't know what them are do, and that it's resulting in multiple fatalities and things like that. But y'all be careful out there, okay? All right, blessings, cool.